Maybe. Oh my gosh. Oh. Marie Moreno, Brett Texas, and Nick F. What's going on, guys? This does not seem very good to me. It looks like it's the exact same thing, even though I refreshed and reset everything. Let's unplug that, see if it does anything. I don't know if that's the problem, or if we're just not going to live stream today. There's a very high likelihood that we do not live stream today. Carlos, good afternoon to you. We are dropping 3% of all of our frames here. We're going to set those back down a little bit. If it doesn't, we are just not live today. I don't know what the problem is. And it does seem like it's dropping slightly right now. So, what's cooking in your kitchen? Oh my gosh. And go something. I don't know what's going in the kitchen right now. It seems to be a lot of lag cooking in the kitchen. Good afternoon, Victor. What's up? Maestro, we'll break it up. Yeah, dude, it does like it's set up. But the frame rate, the dropping frame rate is dropping right now. It's going lower, so it might be staying out. I have no idea causing all this problems. Not good. That is correct. And your phone was 1 day from retirement. Quite possibly, but we're going to have to see if it steadies out here, because it does look like it's leveling out a little bit, and it might be getting a little bit better. If not, guys, I don't know what we're doing. We're just going to do a video and call it a day on that one, and get the whole live today. I don't know what's going on. Maybe you should give a phone. Hey, yes, Brett, if you can give me a phone warranty instead of a car warranty, we might be doing a little better. AMC, this is just terrible. AMC $47.03 right now. See, the thing is, though, like, people isn't changing it all. It's camera that's glitching. So I do not understand why the camera will be glitching when clearly the AMC chart looks just fine right now. So let's just see. It's down to 1% frame rates that are dropping, and that steadies out and keeps going lower. Then we're gonna be doing a little bit better, and we can continue to move on. If not, then we're gonna scrap it for today. And my friend, why the stream ended this morning? Fatima, the stream ended this morning because of the exact same reason as right now. They could potentially end the rates are dropping more than usual. It's extremely glitchy. I have no idea how to fix it. I've reset everything. I've done everything on my end. Bro, the mic sounds crazy. No, Drew. I know. No idea why it's not working. You know what? Let's just see if it is steadying out. So let's see if that works. It's down to 0.7%. Was it 4% a minute ago? So we'll see if it continues to fall, levels off. If you yes, man, everything was reset earlier. So I don't know what will be causing it at this point, but everything was reset. Camera messing up. Clay left a cord in the drive. No, Chris. It just seems to be some sort of a problem that I don't know whose end it's on, because now it only says 6% of the frames are dropping on Streamlabs. So I don't know why it will be doing this. But if we do desktop audio, no, desktop audio ain't gonna work. If we do audio input capture, let's see if we can change the source to see if the audio would be slightly better. If we can add a source for audio input capture, audio output, audio input capture, yeah, add a source, add a new source. Okay, audio capture 1, that's fine with me. Device volt, microphone. Let's go there. Add that. Hey, this is still the time around. Mr. Anything Tech. I think anything would be better than that, right? But we'll figure it out. If it's not working, we'll just scrap the live stream today and come back in another time. The camera is great. Drew says the camera is great. Dude, the camera has to be looking a little bit glitchy right now. There's no way. If the camera's great, that'd be glitchy. Clay, happy Tuesday. Natalie, what's going on? Natalie's still not working out. Still having some problems with video and everything, because it seems we're definitely having problems. I don't know what will be causing those problems. Echo, echo. Yeah, I should have taken care of the echo there. I don't know what was going on with that. Banana Man, what's going on, Banana Man? Man, it's not looking good. $46.80 right now. We can't break $48 for some reason. But the good news is Natalie is still in positive territory on portfolio. Natalie, it's got to be a good feeling today, being most of the day. Delay echo glitching, cutting in. Antics, the legend. Tell me about it, man. Any other problems we show about? I know we don't have any more echo. I took that one, so I was going to change the audio source real quick. I know we don't have the echo there. Let's see. Okay, stream made AMC drop. It very well could have. It very well could have made AMC drop. Is this audio here any better than the previous audio, or is this one dropping just the same? Because this is a different source, and if you're going to tell me that this one is dropping just the same, it's clearly a problem with Streamlabs, not just the phone. Because this one's using my computer's microphone, and not the phone's microphone. Well, hey, brother, mom says hi. And Mrs. Santiago, Senora Santiago, how are you doing? Hopefully you're doing well. We need as you do, and maybe so you don't mess up your deck. Dude, it's possible, but I know it's good. This audio is good. You sound far away, but it's not glitching, right? It's better. It's better if it's quiet. Okay, if that's the case, maybe it is the phone that's screwing everything up. But the video. If that's the case, we may. I don't know. I don't know what's going on with that. Maybe the webcam app needs an update or something. It's not glitching. Dude, the video's got to be glitching. I got to look super. Okay, now do I have audio? Now do I have audio? Video is very bad. Yeah, no audio here, but we do have audio now. Audio seems to be working here. The question is, if the video is glitching, there's gotta be something wrong with the app. Because it seems like, alright, well listen guys, maybe we just go no face. I don't know. Audio's okay, video is bad. Audio's okay, video is bad. So yeah, we're gonna have to figure that out. But if that's the case, guys, we can just stay down here. We'll go a little lower. We'll glitch. As long as you guys can hear me fine, I may put a headphone in and use that. So if the audio is bearable, then we're just going to stay nice and small down here in the corner so you can't really see me, but you can hear me. Video is okay. Now you guys tell me the video is okay. Some of you guys tell me the video is bad. I don't know what's going on. Ajma, yeah, Ajma, top. If the video is bad and the audio, it's Nick at man, tell me. Tell me right now. Is the video good or bad? And don't just say good or bad, like type of full sentence. If the video is bad, we're just gonna make it small. If the video is good, we can keep it big. Sounds like you're on a toilet. Promise I'm not on a toilet, but I may grab the headphones because the mic does help with the headphone mic does help. Did you glitch like reported AMC share glitches? Lex, I know, man, it's terrible, isn't it? Audio isn't bad. This will do. Alright, man. If this is going to do, we're going to have to make it today. Because for some reason, it's not working out. Sounds like you're in the bathroom singing. I am not in the bathroom singing. Video good. Sound is bad. Oh, my God. Video is good. Sound is bad. Now, let me grab some headphones really quick. And, nonsense. Everything gets. And you know what? The weird thing is, until I started streaming, I didn't have any problems. I wasn't having any problems at all when I was previewing everything. So I don't know what's going on. Okay. We get these bad boys hooked up, plugged in. Yeah. We're plugged in. If it works, it works. Smaller, steeper, Skoder. Yes, Johan. We'll make it happen, dude. Either way, we're gonna make it happen. If the video sucks today, the video sucks. We're gonna deal with it. It's the audio. Is the audio any better with the headphones in? I think the problem is his upload speed. Video is okay, dude. If you say the video is okay, the video is clearly not okay on my end, so I don't know what's going on with that. But if the audio is better, sounds great. Sounds much better. Okay, sounds better with the headphones in. That is good. Better now. Boom, boom, boom. Sounds better. Okay, so it seems like the microphone on the laptop sucks. The microphone on the headphones is much better. We're going to keep that. Video quality, main video here. because this is extremely glitchy for me. If it's not glitchy for you, I can deal with it. If it is glitchy for you, then we're just going to stay small today, and we're going to watch the chart. So you guys decide right now if it's way too glitchy and we can just stay small, or if the video is fine for you but not good for me. Better sound confirmed. Johan, thank you very much, man. I appreciate that. Wish I could AMC. I can't hear Natalie. Oh, no! New fault. Why can't we hear Natalie? Nah, it's not bad. It's doable. Video looks fine. Hey, if you guys say the video looks fine, it does not look fine for me. So if it looks fine for you guys, I can deal with this. We're going to make it happen. Got to stay small. Oh, my gosh. Now we're getting different ones. A video is terrible. Stay small. Oh, my gosh. All right, well, listen, you guys are saying stay small. Your video makes me feel like I'm walking around a bridge. Okay, good to see you back. Stay small, please. Yes, so it sounds like we're going small. Nick F, dude, if you confirm that we should stay small because the video is horrible, then we are going to stay small. I've already dropped 183 frames, so I don't know what's going on. As long as you don't look at it, the video is good. Johan, so in that case, guess what we're doing, guys? We're staying small, and then you're not going to have to watch the video. You're going to be watching the graph, and you're just going to be listening to me, liching to me. Looks like 5 frames per second. That's what I'm saying, man, and I don't know what the deal is. Everything, it's just dropping a ridiculous amount of frames. I can see it. I just don't understand why it's doing it. So nothing changed in the settings, but if you guys can hear me, we're going to be doing good, and this is where we're going to keep it. Just like all of, wait, man, I feel good now. I feel good. Just like all of the other streamers, we can either stay completely off the chart, or we can stay small and you guys can just watch the chart instead of watching me. Either way, man, I feel like I finally made my YouTube game. I feel like I finally made it. I'm a YouTuber. We talk about finance, and we only watch the chart now. Nick F says stay small, so guess what we're going to do, guys? We're going to stay small. Frank says market combat. Holy dial-up connection. I'm telling you, man, there's something. You know what? I should do is, if I do a speed test, it'll probably drop me out, right? I don't want to do a speed test then. So I don't know what's going on with that. But let's actually, we don't even need Internet Explorer, or not Internet Explorer. We don't even need Chrome up right now. So let's just completely drop Chrome too, just in case that's taking any speed up there. And hey, if it is, whatever. If it's not, we'll figure it out later. Chipmunk chewing through the fiber optic lines. Yeah, dude, he might be. He's in the house now. He goes up the side, he goes up the corner, and then sits in the soffit. Jennifer says hello. Oh, Jennifer. You know what Brett Texas told me earlier today? Brett said that you said hi to him in Matt Core's stream. So I am a little bit jealous that you say hi to Brett, but you won't even say hi to me. I don't get it, but we'll get there one day. Hey all, how you doing? Zoom in and draw an upward trend line, Clay, bro. Skype, man. We could draw an upward trend because the only thing that's working out for us today is the Weeble chart. So if we've got an upward trend line, actually, man, it's bouncing nicely off that trend line that we've got down there, but we can adjust it a little bit to see the actual trend that we've got playing out today. And here we go. Johan and Pringleton are going to tell us to make it steeper, but guess what? This is an actual trend line we got on here today, so let's see if it holds out to the rest of the day. If it does, excellent. I know we got a lot of guys predicting and telling you that we're going to see $48 per share, $50 per share today, and I don't know. We'll see if their predictions hold strong. Adam, once again, it's all about if people buy, that's it. Yes, did not see what Adam had to say, man. Sorry, I did. Hello, Clay, bro. Jennifer, yes, you did. Hello to you as well. It's like watching a PowerPoint. It's like watching a PowerPoint, dude. It's just fine. LFG, Skype, let's get steeper. Johan says steeper. Johan, we can make it slightly steeper, but not too much for you, man. We'll go there. We'll go there on the steepness. I don't think we can handle such a steep line today. But if we can, excellent. If we can't, all we need to know, the most important thing of the day, is this is Natalie's break-even line here. So she is finally in the green, and it is working out very well for her. Natalie, congratulations to you. I'm very happy that you're in the green today. Clay moving slower than Cisbro on a new hoodie design. That's what I'm talking about, Diffie Dog. I don't understand what's going on, but clearly there's something wrong with the phone or something wrong with the Streamlabs today. Adam, people are going to have a hard time buying SPRT at its current price despite the short interest. If it dips, then people should hop on. Banana Man! Yeah, I don't even know what SPRT is at right now today. I think it's at like $20. Yes, Natalie is broken even, is cracking green. I have no idea. You guys actually watch the chart on here? How do you keep up with the chart and Clay pretending to be a unicorn? Very, very, very difficult, Cup Bro. I'm telling you, man. So I guess we could be like an underwater unicorn today. If we wanted to be like a unicorn, we could be an underwater unicorn. Or like a swordfish, right? A swordfish would work. SPRT, $18. Oh my gosh. Doge to the clouds. Nufo. What's Doge? Oh my god. Oh, crypto got ripped today, didn't it? Crypto was having a very difficult day. I was watching it before the live stream this morning, and I'm like, okay, down a little bit. It's down like 6% right now. Maybe it's a decent time to pick some up. And then I started the live stream, had a ton of problems, wasn't able to get anything working. Ended that live stream, and my brother texts me. He's like, dude, Doge is down to 22 cents right now. I just grabbed some Doge at 22 cents. I'm like, what do you mean it's down to 22 cents? Like a 30% decline across the board in all crypto in a matter of minutes. And I'm like, what on earth is happening? You don't need to answer since it's somewhat political in nature, but do you think the Texas news and a Lyft announcement to pay driver legal fees could be a catalyst for drastic price moves? Cupro, in Lyft, or what are you talking about in general? Are you just talking about the stock market in general, or are you talking about for Lyft? My Doge is down again, guys. I missed the 12 cents I had. No, Cupro. Yeah, dude, you finally filled. You got your 28.5-cent fill there, and then it rips down to 22 cents. But you're back up a little bit this morning. I think you're, what, at 25 cents for Doge right now? Hedges have to cover losses to crypto to sell off. That is the overwhelming look. I don't know what the actual deal was with crypto today. The only real news that's out there is that for some reason, El Salvador made Bitcoin their national currency. Like, that's the official currency of El Salvador at this point. And apparently that was bad news for cryptocurrency across the globe. And it ripped lower. So I don't know if that caused the dip or if the hedge funds are out there liquidating positions in their crypto in order to cover losses and bring down AMC and GME, or what the actual deal is. But, I mean, there's no hiding the fact that crypto just got ripped today. Let's go AMC. Jonathan, absolutely. You can thank Michael Saylor for the crypto dip. Okay, well, thanks. Let's thank you. Thank you, Michael, for the crypto dip. We appreciate it. Now that here I am running on stupid nutrition. Never run on stupid nutrition. Isn't it a broke country? Lex, I don't know if they're broke or not, but they certainly don't have as much money as we do. And, yeah, I guess if you're going to make Bitcoin your national currency. See, the thing about making Bitcoin your national currency is if you're going to be buying goods and services with Bitcoin, the transaction fee is going to kill you. So I don't know if they did that for import-export purposes, or if it's actually a good move for them to do that as a national currency for like the people within the country. I don't think it's that good of an idea for people within the country, because the transaction fees for Bitcoin would just, I don't know, would destroy a country like that. But maybe import-export purposes could be slightly better for them if that's what they were looking for. Not exactly sure. You're killing me, Smalls. Brian, everybody's killing everybody today. You didn't hear Clay. Crypto tanks for margin. AMC squeezes tomorrow. Finally going to trade at $30 million a share, just like in the dark pool. Yes! No, man, I did hear. I can't promote those kind of stories, bro. I can't bring myself to do it, man. Cardano is the way. Cardano, you say tomato, I say tomato. Yes, a lot of people do like Cardano, Natalie. I've been off for a week for vacation and glad to see AMC up. Hope it keeps going up. Okay, I as well hope that AMC keeps going up. I would love, oh my gosh, I would love to start seeing some new highs soon. But hey, we haven't even been in the 40s that long. We spent a very long time in the 30s. Now we're back in the 40s. It's looking very good at this point. I just hope that we can sustain this upward move, because if we come back out to Webull and we put it on a daily chart, we can clearly see that we've been in an uptrend for several weeks by now, and that it's looking very well. But this $48 level is really what we need to see broken right now. And if we can do that, it's going to be very nice. I believe that we're going to run back up into the 50s and hopefully test that $55 to $60 range again, and then finally break through that. So let's zoom back out, or zoom back into a 1 minute chart here and see what we got going on intraday. Coinbase is the worst. Tried to buy the dip, but they wouldn't let me. Neo Wolf. What were they doing? I saw that a lot of people, or not people, but I saw a lot of platforms were having problems today during the dip. Who gave the thumbs down? We know you're in here, a blasphemer. Yes, we do know you're in here, and we will call you out. If you're in here, just let us know. You're allowed to dislike the content, but at least you have a reason to dislike it, right? I just sold everything I have to put a deposit on a yacht since a guy on Reddit confirmed $10 million a share this week. Oh my goodness. That's, Brett, by far the best move that you could possibly make, dude. YOLO, your entire life savings because of a dude on Reddit. I don't think there's any other way to do it, man. That's the best way to go. Aloha Kako Clay and Brother Apes. Clay, what's the prediction number for today? Matthew McConaughey. Listen, 48 is the dollar mark that I want to beat today. Whether or not we get it, whether or not we get it, we'll find out. But 48 is the most important number that we've got on the chart. That's what we need to see broken. Vastille, man. Thank you very much, Vastille. Hi, Clay. Today's my wife's birthday. Can you please wish her a happy birthday? Go Apes. Vastille, what is your wife's name? Because I will absolutely wish her a happy birthday. I'm ready to sing it. Let me know her name so I can properly sing her happy birthday. And thank you very much for the super chat. I appreciate it. Happy birthday to Vastille's wife. You're about to get a song here if Vastille lets me know your name. Or I can just say happy birthday to Vastille's wife. Either way. Gosh, I hope it's not a difficult name. I feel like it's going to be a difficult name with Vastille in here. I feel like it's going to be a difficult name. I want to sing, man. Karen. That's an easy name. Here you go. Guys, everybody sing together. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Karen. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Karen. Thank you very much for hanging out with us. And Vastille, once again, man, thank you very much for the support. I appreciate it. And yes, it's not as fun when I can't go big and get my beautiful face up on the screen to sing you guys happy birthday and embarrass myself and all get out. But yes, thank you very much for all of the support, Vastille. I appreciate it, and hopefully your wife didn't hate the voice too much. Happy birthday to Vastille's wife. Oh, yes. Everybody in here, happy birthday to Karen. I love it. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Karen. That's what I'm talking about. You guys are the absolute best. I feel like we could just have like a no audio live stream, and you guys would take care of it all. Happy birthday, Karen. Big ups, Karen. Oh, yes. Happy birthday, Karen. Hip, hip, hooray. Hip, hip, hooray. Happy birthday to you. Work days like today really make me want to quit my job and become a professional rich guy. Is that too much to ask? No, it is not, Brett. But I will tell you, with great money comes great responsibility. So if you are not prepared for the responsibility, Brett, you better prepare yourself now because the money is coming, my friend. Make sure all 124 of you like the video. Rogue the Legacy. That's what I'm talking about, man. Thank you very much, Rogue. I appreciate it. And listen to Rogue, guys. Like the video. Even though the quality is not that great, make sure you click that like button. Clay downgraded his subscriptions to Little Bro today. Never, man, never. We got Little Bro, and then we've got regular size bro, but he's just a glitchy bro. So we'll stay little. We'll stay little for the time being, just so you guys don't get seasick watching me. Hey, Clay, what's your thoughts on Ape Father and his protest? Alan Howard, man. I've got thoughts on that. I don't know if they're necessarily good, necessarily bad. Here's the deal. If people want to protest, they're allowed to protest, right? But I'm not one of the guys that you're ever going to catch out there protesting something. I can't necessarily say that. I could protest something if it was just blatantly the most ridiculous thing I've ever seen in my entire life. And I don't know. I guess I could. But I don't, one, see what it's going to accomplish. And two, dude, protests rarely turn out the way people want them to. As soon as people get fired up these days, bad things start to happen. And that's the last thing I want. The last thing I want is to have AMC or GameStop or any of this stuff associated with reckless behavior and violence and bad things like that. So, I don't know. I think you could do
more harm than good at this point, but dude's got a right to protest, and if he wants to, absolutely, I say go for it. Could have catch you out protesting if I really had a really, really big net or a Pokeball. Those are the only two ways that you can catch me out protesting, Cup Bro. Over 26 hours of overtime this weekend. More AMC shares coming soon. Frank, my gosh, dude. How do you get 26 hours in a single weekend? That's ridiculous, man. All you did was work and sleep this weekend. My wife gives thanks to everyone that wished her a happy birthday. Vastile's wife, Karen. Thank you very much for the thank yous. We thank your thank yous. Being born. Interesting, Banana Man. Being born was what now? Vastile, don't retract messages. Come on now. Protesting, buying, and holding is a great thing. We've been doing it for 9 months now, and Occupy Wall Street didn't help either. Yeah, actually, if you want to protest by buying and holding, that's a good way to do it. That's a very good way to actively protest what the hedge funds are doing. Because if we buy up all the stocks and we don't sell them back, guess what happens? We win. They need the shares. They need to buy the shares back. And if we don't give them back, we win. My wife gives thanks to everyone who wished her happy birthday. Yes, Bastille. Let's see. Clay, you're too polite. Just call never, Alan. Why would I do that, man? Because listen, you guys know that he does have a right to go out and protest if he wants, right? I just don't think that it's going to be terribly productive if you do that. Brett, I look forward to it. I look forward to something that you make. You would need to make me mozzarella sticks, though. Yes, please make me mozzarella sticks as well. Brett's mozzarella sticks looked delicious the other day. Do not do anything other than buying and selling the stock to influence the stock. Anything else could be considered manipulation. To a certain extent, I guess, man. But, you're allowed to have forums that talk about stocks. You're allowed to go out and you're allowed to talk about the stock in public. News channels talk about the stock, so on and so forth. You can give buy recommendations on stocks. You can give sell recommendations on stocks. So manipulation really comes when you have a direct impact on the stock. If I were to go out and I were to buy $1 trillion worth of AMC right now, I would drive the price higher. I could single-handedly drive the price higher if I had $1 trillion to spend on AMC. Now, that would be manipulating the stock price. Same way if I were to sell $1 trillion worth of AMC and did that and drove the price lower, that would be manipulation. But if I come on here and I tell you, well, I really think that AMC is a buy at this point because the short interest is very high. There's a lot of people that support what's going on with AMC. And I think that you guys should grab some of it. That's not necessarily manipulation at that point. That's just me sitting here stating my opinion and then you guys going on and going forward with it. You're allowed to have forums that talk about stock prices and different investment opportunities. I have 32 shares. Can I become a millionaire? Tobias. What does the price have to go at 32 shares in order for you to become a millionaire, man? $1,000 per share times 3,000 times 10. My goodness, $30,000 a share. Tobias, it's not going to be easy for you to become a millionaire, man. But it's possible if everybody holds out to $30,000 per share. So I don't want to say it's impossible for you to become a millionaire, but it certainly won't be easy because people are going to be tempted long before we reach $30 per share, or $30,000 per share. Tobias, maybe, but it won't help with your spelling. I didn't even see what he was saying there. Oh, the millionaire part. You have $1 trillion just laying around. Dang, dude, that's like 10 gallons of milk. That's what I'm talking about, Cup Bro. And the bad thing is, I don't even like milk. So I've got all this money to buy milk, but I won't even spend it. So it's really, really weird. Talking your book is different than throwing a fit. Okay, yeah. Talking your book. Talking something. Okay, either way, Hudson. Yes, that's true, man. That's true. That's true. But I still don't. I don't know. What would that protest look like? Because a lot of people clearly seem very interested in it. I don't even think there would be enough people on Wall Street to protest that the news would even cover it. And then even at that point, I think the news, guys, I'm going to be completely honest with you. I think the news has their own agenda with what they want to promote and what they want to talk about. If they don't want to shed light on corruption that could potentially be happening with AMC, guess what? Even if there were 2 million people sitting on Wall Street with signs that said, buy Diamond Hands AMC, if the Ape Fathers involved Diamond Balls, all of this stuff, there could be 2 million people sitting outside Wall Street. and the news would probably not cover it if they didn't want to shed light on that situation. So they're very, I don't even know if at that point the protest would do too much. 1 million before taxes. Okay, JB, that's 1 million before taxes. You were correct, man. He's going to need what, about a $50,000-$60,000 share price after taxes? Adrian. Yeah, I mean, I clearly knew what he was talking about, but I didn't want to talk about I didn't want to talk about the spelling. No need to protest. Nadia, I don't see a need to protest, but if some people do, that's their right. Can't stop them from doing what they're, I don't know, able to do. The news is totally objective with no agenda whatsoever. Cognitive, please share the news sources that you use most often, because the news sources that I see have their own agenda, man. Johan, thank you very much, Johan, for the super chat. Johan says, Clay, I'm in another play where the stock is very low volume at the moment. It often has around 2 million krona a day. If AMC squeezes, like I think, and buy like 5 millions worth of that stock, is that manipulation? Johan, if it's got 2 million shares a day and you buy 5 million shares in a day, that's not necessarily manipulation, especially if you can fulfill that order, all right? Now, knowing that you potentially could single-handedly drive the price of that stock up, here's the deal. How do you profit off of it? Because you're going to have to sell that stock if you want to realize your profit on it. So it gets tricky, man. It gets tricky. If you do go out there, just because the volume is low, you still have to find buyers. If you were to go out there and buy 5 million shares worth of that stock, and the daily average volume is 2 million, apparently, krona, and you went out and spent 5 million krona on it. I'm saying shares instead of krona. But even if you went out there, you'd have to find the amount of buyers. So, yeah, you would either have to offer higher and higher prices and drive that stock price up. But, dude, it gets tricky because if you go to liquidate that position, it doesn't sound like a very liquid position in that case. And if you own more than twice the daily average volume, I don't know if that's something you even want to do, man. Sounds a little off today. David S. Yes, the sound is a little off today, man. The video is a little off today. Actually, it's starting to look a little bit better down there on that little thing. We may be able to go big again here in a second. I'm not sure. I'm holding so hard. I switched from 5-minute candles to 10-minute candles. Neil Wolf, very nice. Buying and holding AMC is the ultimate protest. Hit him where it hurts. Nini, not Nina. Nini, absolutely. There is no... As soon as we start taking money from the hedge funds, that's where it hurts them the most. As soon as we start restricting the supply, that's where it hurts them the most. We could sit outside in the sun all day long, getting sunburnt and sweating and smelling gross, but they don't care about that. The hedge funds are sitting in their air-conditioned offices, and then they go get in their Lamborghinis and drive on home. Okay, they ask their professional driver to take them out in their Rolls Royce, and they commute that way. So it's not really going to do too much, but if we take their money, they're not going to be in a very good position. 47.60 at close, a watch, and then after hours, we'll go to 48. Nadia, I hope we do bust 48 today. A lot of action could be from 2 to 3 days ago. Jay, 2 to 3 days ago. I don't know about 2 to 3 days ago, but are you talking about today's price action on AMC or what? Guys, I almost forgot, at the bar, everyone ended up singing along with Nickelback, and I may or may not have even ended up singing with some strangers on a table. Cut, bro. That's because Nickelback's the best, man. Everybody loves Nickelback. You guys think it's a joke, but everybody, for some reason, everybody's afraid to admit it, but everybody does love Nickelback. Rocket! What's up, Joe De Jesus with the Brokets? The Broket Rockets in here. Legit, my ears bleed when I listen to Nickelback. No, they do not, Diffie Dog. No, they do not. You like it? Thanks for answering me, mates. It's like a 5-year play for me. So should I spread out the buys? I think the company will be a monster in the future crypto scene. Johan, you don't necessarily have to spread out the buys, but on a stock like that, I probably would. Because if you're thinking about dropping like 5 million krona on a stock that daily trades 2 million krona, that's something that you're going to have to step out of for sure, unless something drastic happens. But even if you place that buy order in one large chunk, I don't necessarily think that you would even be able to get filled at that point. So it would probably fill its, you'd probably get partial fills all the way up until your order got filled anyway. So yeah, man, I'd be more apt, if that was my situation, I'd be more apt to put partial buy orders in until you finally got the position that you wanted, but because you're going to have to do the same thing to get out. There's no way you're going to be able to liquidate that position in one day. Imagine Dragons, new Nickelback. Nobody's the new Nickelback, dude. Nickelback is a classic. On the Robinhood app, it's saying 56% are selling and 44% holding AMC. They have no shame with their BS. Adrian, it's crazy, isn't it? Clay, the price keeps going up because people are excited after Labor Day weekend. I feel like if it drops back down to 44 in the next 2 days, people are going to freak out, Chris. Yeah, dude. Listen, I don't know if everybody came back refreshed, if everybody came off the nice long holiday weekend ready to buy, or what the deal is, if we just strictly bounced off support around the $43, $44 level, and we're going in for another test of the $48. Whatever the reason we're bouncing today and testing this $48 mark, yes, you are correct, man. It's so funny that when we're up, what are we up today? 7% on the day. People are just chill with that. They're okay with it. Like we should expect 7% days. But then if we were down 7% on a day, everybody starts to freak out. And then all of the FUD media comes out of nowhere, and the media starts blasting AMC. If we would just keep the excitement on these up days and ignore the down days the way people ignore the up days, dude, we would be doing so much better right now. Look at this market graph. Every time I do it makes me laugh. Yes, Frank, you got it, man. Frank knows what's up. You believe the squeeze is imminent, or can you see us hold another year? No, Nufo, man. I believe that the shorts will cover. Okay, I do believe that part. I believe that's guaranteed because I don't think that AMC is going to be facing bankruptcy. Now, if we provide them the shares to cover, that's when we won't see the price squeeze as much as we would want to see it squeeze. Urban Warfare Media says, critical hit. Critical hit. Critical hit. Thank you very much, Urban Warfare Media, for the critical hit. I love it, man. Thank you guys very much for the super sticker. Urban, thank you for the support. I appreciate it. And sorry, I can't make a fool out of myself today because for some reason the video is glitching and I don't like. You know what? I wonder if it's glitching because the phone is on power saver mode right now. I highly doubt it because I do. Man, I do stream on power saver mode, but that shouldn't be it. Clay, when baby? M. James, your baby was supposed to be born 2 days ago, man. What's going on? M. James, baby Wednesday, dude. Wednesday at 6 p.m. Eastern time, 3 p.m. for you. So that is my prediction. I can predict babies better than I can predict the movement of the stock market. And M. James' baby girl is going to be born Wednesday in the 3 p.m. Pacific time hour. I don't know exactly when, but it's going to be 3 p.m. something, M. James. So look forward to it. And if I am correct, you guys have to put her middle name as bro. That's all I ask, man. That's all I ask. Wednesday in the 3 p.m. Pacific time hour, and her middle name has to be bro. Baby squeeze tomorrow. Baby squeeze tomorrow. Oh, yes. Another baby. Someone dropped a banana and salt shaker. The glitches would be a price. Dude, I don't even think the glitches would work. You guys just wouldn't even be able to see me move. Because, like, you can't see me. I'm waving right now, and it's, like, just going from the top of the screen to the bottom of the screen. I don't know why. Another baby. Cup, bro. Everybody's having babies these days. I guess that's what happens when you just buy and hold. Like, all you're doing is watching AMC all day long. So I'll kind of get bored, and people are like, oh, well, what are we going to do? Hold AMC or hold you and me? And then they're like, okay, well, let's just go for it. And that was at the beginning, man. Everybody thought that the life was better back in January and when AMC was popping. So now we're seeing the fruits of that labor. Lauren! Oh, my goodness. Lauren is here. Hello. This is just a quick hi and bye. The lives haven't worked well around work today. But I will catch you tomorrow. Lauren, thank you very much. The lives just aren't working well in general today. So it's not just you, Lauren. It's me as well. But I don't know. We'll figure it out, and hopefully it gets better. It's got to be something with the phone. Crypto Rocketeer, you and your issues. Scabs again. Oh my gosh, Crypto Rocketeer bleeding. Oh no. Crypto Rocketeer, you better not be bleeding again, Rocketeer. Hi, Lauren. Bye, Lauren. Hi, Lauren, and bye, Lauren. Have a wonderful afternoon. AMC Squeeze on 28th September. Eshan! Very interesting. I like that date. But what is that day? I don't even know. What day of the week is that? Has Clipper addressed Kathy Wood's statement about millennials and the stock market? Brian, no, I have not. Did not even see what she said, man. Well, we don't care about a baby squeeze, so my paper hands will be selling to the hedgies. I hope not. We do care about baby squeezes, man. Why will we not care about baby squeezes? Nickelback is garbage. How dare you? What's up, Lauren? What's going on, Lauren? How you doing? No more babies. I had a vasectomy complications. One word, pain. 10 out of 10. Wouldn't do it again. Jim Hand. You would do that. You would have a vasectomy again? Is that what you're saying? What did Crypto say? Yoha, not me. Clay is the one with problems. Dude, I'm not even having problems. You can barely see me in the bottom right screen. If you're on a phone, like I'm not even as big as a thumbnail on the phone right now. It's got to be so small. So nobody's worried about that. We're just sitting here chilling. Puddle of Mud is not as good as Nickelback. Next week's monthly action will be interesting. Alex, with people calling for the squeeze this month, next month's action might be all down. Rage Against the Machine, Slipknot. Now we're just naming bands, guys. Nickelback is the main band of this live stream. Is Marvel movie helping AMC's price action today? Nufo. Listen, it could be in a sense that that's all people were talking about over the weekend, and the fact that it's breaking records, which is kind of hard to believe that we are having Labor Day weekend records being broken right now. I guess I highly doubt that the movie was that good that everybody had to literally go out and see it. I think that maybe the majority of things that people would be doing as opposed to going to the movies are closed, and they can't be doing those things right now. So they said, hey, let's just go to the weekend. Let's just go to the movies this weekend instead of doing what we would normally do on Labor Day weekend. So I don't know, guys. It could be helping, but we're so far from fundamentals right now. I don't understand why anything fundamentally good would drive the price that much higher. A 7% increase. Nirvana State. Yes, we are definitely. This is the Name the Band show. Name the Band show. The more bands you can name, the higher AMC will go. It's all about AC/DC and Led Zeppelin. Massive nutsack music. Antics is ridiculous. Sound is terrible. It's cool from your side, right? What do you mean the sound is terrible, dude? The sound can't be that bad. The sound's got to be better than it was before when it was glitching. Guys are all wrong. The Big Bopper is where it's at. And Chubby Checker. I don't even know what Brett is saying right now, but it sounds like something I'm interested in. So let's get started. Clint Eastwood. Clint Eastwood is not a band, is it? Grandpa Barney! Thank you very much, Grandpa Barney. Grandpa Barney says, Grandpa Barney, it's a green day. Let us sing and give thanks. Love you, Clay. Love you too, Grandpa Barney. Thank you very much for the support. I appreciate it. And yes, we are up 7% on the day right now. We have tested $48 several times today. We keep bouncing off this area, but guess what? As long as we can sustain this move, and we break through it tomorrow, it is going to be very nice. If we fall back down and we get a little bit of a pullback, we've done it before. We'll probably do it again. I know that you guys can handle it. But, man, look at this. We've got a lot of resistance in this area right here that we've been seeing today. Oh, man, 47, 47.50 just in this area right here. High of 47.82 today. This is nothing to laugh at, guys. If we can break this area, if we can continue to the upside throughout the rest of the afternoon, this is going to be a beautiful... Let's see. Do I want that? No. I want this one. I want that one. If we can continue to move this way, 48, possibly tested after hours, will be looking very nice. That's what I want to see, guys. I want to see a test and breakthrough of 48 today. If we get that, it's going to be amazing. Josh, thank you very much. Josh says, hi, man. What is the program software you are showing on the screen? Old Dumb Ape here, holding since February. Josh, thank you very much for the super chat. I appreciate it, man. The software on the screen is the Weeble desktop app. So I know you can't use, I don't think you can use Weeble in the UK. That's I believe that's correct. But I don't see why you wouldn't be able to download the desktop app and still use it as charting software and so on. Because I'm currently not logged in on the screen right now, so I don't think that it's something you have to like actually log into and be able to trade and all of that stuff. So if you still wanted to use this as charting software or be able to watch the ticker all day long, it's just the desktop version of the Webull app. So you should be able to download that in the UK, I would assume. Elvis Presley, we are still on the singers. I like it, guys. Keep it going. Crypto dump today is a sign AMC is about to pump. I know I am bringing my crypto money into AMC. Lunar, very good. Lunar specifically will be making the price of AMC jump because of all the crypto money he's bringing over. Thank you very much, Lou. I appreciate it. What the heck? Did he just flatten out the... Dude, Johan, man, I didn't even know you were in here, Johan. I didn't even know you were... We'll make it steeper. Gosh, man. I didn't even know that Johan was in here. He caught me. God. All right, now it's steeper again, Johan. My bad, man. My bad. Dude, Johan watches everything, doesn't he? Johan watches everything. Since we're really small over there, we can just make this whole thing. Claire's addiction, a banana song. What is that? That's my addiction? Sounds like a good song, though. Michael Jackson, Guns N' Roses. If it drops, we buy and hold. Grandpa Barney, that is exactly what we do. Nobody in history will ever be bigger than Michael Jackson, ever. Lift broke $50. Clay, you didn't answer my question, but it's okay. The chart did it for you, and it happened without a cup and handle. What are the odds? There's no way a chart could go higher without a cup and handle. Cup, bro, something is happening. I feel like it's being manipulated if it's going up without a cup and handle formation. The only reason the stock would go up is if there was a cup and a handle and then it broke higher afterwards. Lyft is being manipulated to the upside right now. Destroy the Darkness says, yeah, we finally broke the 48 wall today. You think we will? I don't know, dude. If we do, I'm going to be very happy. I don't know if... Oh, man, was today... Is this like the fourth test to 48? I know that Trey is really on to testing it 4 times, but... I mean, we bounced up in here. That'd be 1, kind of 2, 3, potentially 4 today. If we go on an hourly chart, I think we've already tested it more than 4 times. If we zoom out, I feel like we've tested it more than 4 times on an hourly chart. Kind of in here, 2, 3, 4, 5. So... I don't know. I don't know if we're going to break it today or not. I really hope that we do. At least we've got some sustained price action to the upside. Now, if you do want to look here. Cup bro, this one's for you, man. A nice cup, a little handle, and a break up. A nice big cup. We could be getting a little handle, and then a break up. Oh, my gosh. Oh, my gosh. Just the cup and handle formation is incredible, guys. Look at this. That's a very big cup, actually. And then, boom, little handle. Psh. We might be on to something, Cup Bro. We might be on to something, dude. I hope we get it. We're following this trend line actually pretty nicely higher today. Let's keep an eye on that. I love Course trying to explain his ugly cup and handle on the daily chart. Dude, everybody's always trying to make you see some sort of a pattern, aren't they? 4th test from the past 20 days, I believe. Gotcha, Destroy the Darkness. Look at AMC on the weekly, flag breakout. There's always a pattern that we can see. Ortex update. Thank you very much, Nick. Estimated short interest change, down 2.21%. Return shares, 3.97 million. Borrowed shares, 1.35 million. Borrowed change, down 2.62 million. Estimated current short interest free float, 18.59%. Estimated current short interest, 95.1 million. And the utilization is currently at 91.4 percent, not million. Thank you very much, Nick. I appreciate that. Clay, who would win in a fight, the 4th test or a cup and handle? We need to know. Dang, dude, I'm going cup and handle on that one. Cup bro, I'm going cup and handle. That's just because it's mentioned more. So therefore, since it's mentioned more, then it's definitely gonna beat out. It's gonna beat the 4th test all day. Clay, I hear you got a little handle. Antics. Words going around, man. Words going around. We're getting tired of hanging around. We should never get tired of hanging around, man. Hanging around with our heads to the ground. Don't get tired of hanging around. It's going to be all right. No cup and handle. I want it to be a ladle instead. Well, dude, a ladle will work just the same. It's got a longer handle. The cup and handle turns into a ladle if the handle gets really large. Let the children play. Gosh, man, you guys are still going. I can't believe you guys are still going with this. Crypto Rocketeer says we are glitchy. Yeah, Crypto Rocketeer, of course we're glitchy, man. It's happening. But the fourth test, I love an underdog. Well, I hope we get it, man. Underdog, what underdog, overdog? Like, what's the difference? We can make it. We can make it. Oh man, we actually have a. Look at this. We're on to something, guys. We're on to something. Where were we? Were we just on an hour chart? Maybe. Hourly chart. Look at this giant cup we've got forming here on the fourth test. Oh my goodness. With our powers combined, we have the fourth test and a cup and handle forming at the same time. That would mean that it is a guaranteed breakout. Oh my goodness. We've got two bullish patterns right in a row. The end of laughter and soft light. Man, you guys keep going. Can you do a poll in the chats when the squeeze will likely happen? No, I have everything closed except Streamlabs now. You guys can do that without an actual poll. If you want to guess when the squeeze is going to happen, you can throw your guesses out there right now. And I just can't do it like an actual poll because I've got everything closed, trying to save the frame rate, which is just getting destroyed today for some reason. Clay, does the strike price even matter all that much on a squeeze play when it comes to long calls on AMC? GD, yeah, man, the strike price is going to matter unless you have an extremely far out expiration. Then I don't think the strike price would matter as much, okay? Because if you've got an extremely far out expiration and the squeeze happens before the expiration, you're going to be doing very well. Now, if you've got a short-term expiration, the strike price is going to matter a little bit because you get a less likelihood of expiring in the money. But it also matters because the closer the strike price, the more expensive the call is going to be. And man, we are just getting ripped on this candle right here. My gosh. Hedge funds are saying, oh no, Natalie, we're going for Natalie down here at 46.62, but we are bouncing on. Well, I think we're in a channel. Yeah, I think we're kind of in a channel between Natalie's break-even point and support kind of in this area. Boom, tapped it, boom, tapped it, boom, tapped it, boom, tapped it. Even back here, boom, tapped it. So I think we got a little bit of a channel going on here between these two green lines. My gosh, look how marked up this graph is. We got ascending trend lines. We've got channels. We've got a lot of stuff going on the chart right now. Hopefully you guys can follow because that's the only thing you can see is the chart. What is that candle, Johan? That candle is selling pressure, my friend. Is there something wrong with your voice? Manji, Magnus. No, there's nothing wrong with my voice. There's definitely something wrong with my audio, though. Clay, I'm here, by the way. Maggie, Magnus, Manji, Mangini. Yes, I'm glad you are here, but no, there's nothing wrong with my voice, dude. Something wrong with the audio. Buy a bunch of AMC gift cards and put them on your walls like tiles. Interesting, Adrian. Do I even, if I'm going to buy them and put them on my wall, do I even have to activate them? Or can I just go take the gift card from the store without activating it? That would be a lot cheaper. So much technical analysis. JB, it's ridiculous, isn't it? We've got so much technical analysis, I don't even know what's going on anymore. Candle of Doom. You've heard about the Candle of Boom. This is the Candle of Doom. Keeps breaking down, darn it. We just can't break through that resistance level at 48. No, Natalie, you're about to be in the red again. I don't like this. Come on, we need Natalie to stay in the green. It's coordinated red candle on GME and AMC. Despicable. I hate the coordinated red candles. I got 99 problems, but AMC ain't one. OT, I love it. You know why, man? Because you got that buy and hold mentality. You don't get discouraged when AMC goes down. And you don't feel like you have to take profit when AMC goes up. I love it, man. And Natalie's just throwing those in the chat right now. She's like, just another day. Another day, Clay. It's all right. Natalie, you are our support line right now, Natalie. We depend on you. Very Swedish meatballish all of a sudden. Very interesting, Crypto Rockets here. Swedish meatballish all of a sudden. I wonder why. Clay, bro, go peace, we can moon. Adrian. I feel like I should step away because every time I get on here, we go down, and I do not like that. We are breaking through Natalie's break-even level, which I also do not like. We're down through the ascending level of support, and we could potentially be testing this daily level of this daily uptrend. Where's that at right here? We're still a little bit, we're drastically lower on the actual daily chart. So I wouldn't worry about that until we get back down to like $43 per share. But if we come back down here on the 1 minute chart, not looking good with these stupid red candles. All right, guys, like to watch your videos. Is that strange? No! Why would it be strange that you like to watch my videos, man? That's very good. You should share my videos as well. Natalie goes back into the red insert. First time, a meme of Franco. Dude, I don't even know what the first time meme of Franco is, but it sounds like something I'm interested in. So let's get started. Guys, I think that, let's see. Since we're kind of sitting here watching AMC go down at the moment, I was thinking about it over the weekend, and I really want to do some of these weekly giveaways. If you guys share the content. So I know all of you don't have Twitter, but would you, if I don't know, if we got a hashtag or something on Facebook, would you be willing to share it on Facebook? Just either videos, live streams. Honestly, you could share anything on it on Facebook as well. Because I figure you guys do have a Facebook. If you don't have a Twitter, I don't know. But I kind of want to do something. I got so many shirts. I feel like we need to do some giveaways. And I know you guys like the sticker giveaways too. So I want to get back into doing some weekly giveaways with sticker packs and shirts. So would you be willing to share it on Facebook? I know you're willing to share it on Twitter. So let me know on that too, because I want to start back up with some weekly giveaways here. Tagged you in it on Twitter, Clay. Thank you very much, Cub Bro. I appreciate that. I yelled, subscribe to Clay Bro to everyone at Walmart. Does that win me anything? Brett, yes, man. Yes, that should win you a definite sticker pack because you need a couple of these stickers, man, because if you're willing to scream at the people at Walmart, you can't even see it. It's going to be so small. You need some of these sticker packs, some of these stickers here. These are the ones you just slap on like the Walmart bathroom door, the entrance to Walmart, or somewhere in the gaming section back in Walmart so everybody sees that sticker, man. It does the same job as yelling at them, except you don't even have to yell. I don't do Facebook nor Twitter. Neo Wolf, then you could just like print up some flyers, man, and then you could put them in the mailboxes of random people in your town. I believe that would be just like sharing, but the old-fashioned way. So you could do that too if you don't want to text message anybody or something like that. But I feel like you could do that. I heard that. Are we in the same Walmart? Rocket is finally in here. You guys may be in the same Walmart, Rocket. You and Brett do seem to hang out quite a bit. You be the guy handing out flyers at the intersection. Exactly, Brett. That can be Neo Wolf handing out flyers at the intersection, or I could send him like a very large sticker pack for Claybro YouTube stickers, and he can just go smack them on like all the cars in the parking lot, smack them on the, I don't know, back windshield of all the cars out there. I mean, that's cool. You get like a random Claybro YouTube sticker on your back windshield. People are going to be like, all right, that's legit. I'll keep it. Send me some stickers, and I'll hook them to the filters and post them on poles. You're going to post them on poles? I don't even know what that means. On like telephone poles? Dude, if you're gonna stick stickers on telephone poles, I could probably send you some stickers. Welcome, Rocket. Welcome to the chat, Rocket. Yes, use the pager phone. Pager phone? I don't even know what that is. Oh, the pager phone at Walmart. That's what you're talking about. It's kind of like both of ours, but I'll just keep it at my house. Adrian, I don't know what is both of y'all's, but keep it at your house. It's gonna be okay. That's my bike, Punk. Well, Banana Man, it's all right. You can have a Claybro YouTube sticker on it. By the way, you should do a mohawk. Brian, I should do a mohawk, but even if I do, you won't be able to see it very well today because I'm extremely small and glitchy. I think it means he's going to slap it on his what now, Cup Bro? He's going to slap it on his what now, Cup Bro? On the pole? Is that what you're talking about? Cup Bro, that's Midwestern hospitality right there. We got it. That's Midwestern hospitality. What did Natalie say? I missed it, darn it. Wins you my heart. Well, there you guys. We need to win. We need to win Cup Bro's heart. Hey, bro. Sounds like more refined T-Pain. Oh my gosh, dude. Is my auto tune that bad today? This is gonna be nuts. Bro Pain. Yes. Forget about T-Pain. I am the Bro Pain. Rocket. You know it. You know it, man. As long as you're a white and straight and man in the Midwestern and a man, and the Midwestern people are most kind in the world. Bro, come on now. I just read, can we get some bro temp tattoos? Oh my gosh. Okay. Bro temporary tattoos. Dude, how do I... Does anybody know how to make custom temporary tattoos? Because I don't. But that sounds like a really good idea, though. A man once said he was making classic Midwestern barbecue, then grilled hot dogs. I don't trust Midwesterners anymore. Why not, dude? Why not, man? Hot dogs and burgers, that's where it's at. Pops is tripping, man. Once asked me for my bike back. You know I wouldn't trip. I hope you do not trip. Sound echo. Very, very interesting. Listen, guys, the sound, everything's off today. Everything's off today. So if the sound is a little bit bad, we're all going to have to deal with it. I don't know what the problem is, but it's going to be all right. We're going to get through it. Skip the headset. No. We got to keep the headset in. Without the headset, it sounds terrible. Midwestern people are nice, except for the exception of Chicagoland people. Thank you very much, Neil. I am not in Chicago, but I would consider myself somewhat polite. Hot dogs and burgers are great, but they aren't barbecue. Yeah, it's true. But if you're going to go out and you're going to grill and have hot dogs and hamburgers, that's like most common thing. I would just say it is very common. Rocket, it wasn't a joke, man. People sometimes aren't the best. I'm the best all the time, Cup, bro. You don't cook barbecue in 15 minutes. How long does it take? 20? Does it take 20 minutes, Brett? Maybe 20 minutes. Possibly 30 at the worst. The Beach Cruiser. We got to get the Beach Cruiser ready to go. AMC bouncing off Natalie's level of support right now. Thank you very much, Nat. Dude, you guys don't understand how much Natalie has bought at 46.62 in order to have this be such a drastic level of support. We should all say thank you, Natalie, right now for giving us this beautiful support line. We're going to bounce back into the 47s here and hopefully retest 48 today. And if not, it's okay. So skipping me now. 11-11, Simon. I would never skip you, man. If I did before, I certainly didn't see you. I'm going to tuck mine in. Interesting. The brisket needs to be smoked for at least 35 minutes. Well, there you go. 35. Oh, my gosh. We lost the headphones. 35, maybe 36 minutes for a decent barbecue then. Good. You want real barbecue? Come to Texas. I probably should come to Texas at some point. Woo, woo. Natalie, thank you very much for providing us with this beautiful support line. Oh, I didn't know you wanted it back, homie. I didn't know you wanted it back. Of course we all want it back. I don't even know what we're talking about. But it sounds dangerous. Power Hour is upon us. Ronald Nanny. Power Hour is here. Let's watch this thing go to the moon. Just trolling the fellow Texans. If you want brisket for dinner, you're waking up at 2 a.m. to start it. Dude, who's waking up at 2 a.m., man? What if you just make it and then, like, you just eat it the next day? Wouldn't that work out fine if you just, like, made it and then ate it the next day? That sounds like a really long time. 15-hour minimum for brisket. Oh, my goodness. 23 hours for my last brisket. 24 hours kind of sounds better than 15. Because if you just go the full 24 hours, you could start it at dinner time yesterday and eat it tomorrow. I love you, Natalie. We all love Natalie. Thank you for propping us up here at 46.62. We appreciate it. Let's see. Oh, yes. Jason is, oh, yes, and something will melt in your mouth. Adrian, is that with the 24-hour or the 15-hour smoke? What are we talking about here? I want something that melts in my mouth. It sounds delicious. You guys are making me hungry. I need to eat before I come on live because you guys are just making me hungry. And it's not going to work out for me when I'm hungry here. Cognitive. Oh, love you too. We all love Natalie. Except Natalie, you got to buy some more shares at 46.62 because we seem to be dropping through your level of support. And we do not want to fall. We want to go to the upside because we got to make sure all of the other YouTubers that are predicting breakouts this week, that they're all correct, guys, because we need to make sure that, they're able to go out there and predict things and tell you that something is guaranteed. And then if it doesn't happen, that's just going to be bad news for everybody. So we need to make sure that we watch AMC go to the absolute moon this week because there's guys that have a lot riding on this. And red candles don't help their cause. So supportive. We need to be supportive of Natalie. She's supportive of us. We need to be supportive of her. Sometimes you may wait in line hours for good brisket in Texas. Is everything slower in Texas too? Like I hear everything's bigger in Texas, but is everything also slower in Texas? The only thing breaking out this week is my booty cheeks. Oh my gosh. Oh god. I love it. Cup Bro, thank you very much, man. The booty cheeks are breaking out this week. Cup Bro, oh my god. Clay, you sound like a cashier at Walmart asking for a price check. Price check on AMC. Price check on AMC. We have 46.49, 46.50, 46.49, 46.48. Thank you very much for the price check on AMC. How was that? Peter Pete, was that good, man? I hope it was good because we're dropping below support and I don't want to. I think there's everything big. I think that everything is bigger in Texas is referring to the barbecue lines. Yes, it must be referring to the barbecue lines, especially if you have to wait hours to get that barbecue. 11-11 Simon. Oh, yes. Natalie and 11-11 Simon. Guys, very good. You guys are just growing together. I like it. It's equally important the time you smoke it as well as the choice wood you use. So you mean I can't just go grab some sticks from my backyard and smoke my brisket? Like that's a no-go? That doesn't work? Clay, like you sound like the guy at the fair when you play games. Oh my god. What, dude, so I sound like Bro Payne, a.k.a. T-Pain's little brother. I sound like the cashier at Walmart asking for a price check on AMC. And I sound like the guy at the fair wanting you to play games and trying to haggle you into spending your money with me. I think that the microphone situation in the Streamlabs setup today is very interesting, guys, and it's not something I'm interested in. So, thank you, YouTube. Thank you, cell phone. Thank you, everything. You're really helping me out today, technology. Waiting hours for barbecue is wild, man. I will literally microwave you a delicious hot dog in seconds. Cup Bro, coming in clutch, dude. When we're hungry, we can't wait in line hours. You got to go right after lunch to get in line for dinner if you're waiting for barbecue in Texas. T-Pain's brother's a dynamo. He has several jobs. Yes. T-Pain's brother. Me. I'm T-Pain's brother. Clay, you look like the type of guy who likes to hang out at Dave & Buster's. Joan de Jesus. I would love to hang out at the main event. Playing some skee ball with Natalie. Natalie, if you're down, let me know. I would love to do that. Dave & Buster's, it's a good second. But Joan de Jesus, you are right, man. Power Hour, Luca. Power Hour in effect. We don't want power to be going to the downside. We want power to be going to the upside. Hungry Hour is upon us. Yes, it is. Our first world problems, man. That's so true, Natalie. That's so true. My technology's making me sound like I'm a guy that works at a fair right now. Oh, I never thought that this day would come, that somebody would compare me to a carny, but here we are. Cat's out of the bag. Clibro exposed as a closet Dave & Buster's fan and a Nickelback fan. Could you just imagine if they played Nickelback at a Dave & Buster's, how happy I would be? I believe that would be amazing. Clibro, it's all good. I really like a Monday, so tomorrow will be better. It's really like a Monday, so tomorrow will be better. Tamara, that is correct. Today is technically like a Monday. So we're just getting all the kinks worked out, and then tomorrow is going to be even better. I like the way you think, Tamara. We got to break this 48. Luca, I know we do. First, we got to get back above so that Natalie is in the green at 46.62. And then we're going to run for 48 in Power Hour. She's on a roll today. I protest hot dogs, even as much as I love watching Clay eat them. Natalie, how can you protest hot dogs and at the same time tell me to do the dip and shove? You're the one that created the dip and shove, Natalie. You can't protest something you created. A good carny, though, like the one they put on the billboard, letting people know the carnival is coming to town. Now, that's what I'm talking about, Brett. That's the best kind there is. The carny that is advertising the carnival. I like how you just read past my messages. Caesar, I did not actually read your message, man. I'm sorry. Where's Pam the Trader and Cookie? Very good question. Pam the Trader, you were in here earlier. We need you back. Cookie actually retweeted or shared the thing on Twitter earlier, but she never came in here. So also very interesting that they know we are live right now, but they have yet to join the stream. So I have no idea, Caesar. Somebody go ask him. McSlipple, has the short interest gone up or down today? The short interest are a little down today, according to Nick's updated Ortex update earlier. Clay, there is a guy that broke the Hedgies code and how he communicates through level 2 data, manipulates the price. 11 Simon, what are you talking about there, man? What guy are you talking about? Okay, Rico Mami. Oh, yes. Macaroni or potato salad? Macaroni for me. Clay, I just fixed the sound issues. It was actually really easy. Just press the mute button and boom, fixed. Just kidding. Crypto Rocketeer. Rip on me, man. Thank you for making me feel that much better. Rocket, maybe not in reality, but he's like the Hallmark movie carny that was a big city banker, but moved back to his hometown to help his sick mother and fell in love. I did. I fell in love with the bearded lady that works at the carnival, and I couldn't go back to working on Wall Street because my heart was in that town, man, and that's where I needed to be. I know it. Brett, dude, Brett does watch Hallmark movies. He does for a fact, man. I know he does now. And all of those Christmas movies, they come on Netflix that are recommended to everybody at Christmas time. Those two. Those are like classic Hallmark Lifetime movies. How you going to protest a hot dog? That's America's meat you're hating on. Uncle Sam's Wiener. Do not hate on Uncle Sam's Wiener. America's meat is the hot dog, guys. Cupro is 100% correct. Natalie, you can't hate on the hot dog now. What's up, Claybro and family? AMC Trapper, what's going on, man? Listen, AMC Trapper, if you haven't been in here, we're making do with the stream we got today. Something is going on with the technology, but we're going to make it happen. Why are you so small today? Luca, excellent question. Because when I go big, it's very glitchy. For some reason, it's dropping all the frame rates. It does actually look slightly better than before. It must not be dropping as much. But there's still some wicked lag that just makes it look like you're just, I don't know. It's going to make you sick to your stomach if you have to watch that the whole time. And it's even like, I don't know, it's even lagging when I'm small, too. So something's clearly going on. Kelby, thank you very much for the super chat. Kelby says, not much of a super chat anyway. Thanks for noticing. What are you talking about? That's not much of a super chat. Anything is a big super chat. Thank you very much, Kelby. I appreciate it. And yes, it is a super chat, and it is a very good one indeed. And Kelby, by the way, still best friends, in case you were wondering. Hopefully you had a good Labor Day weekend. Let's go AMC, close above 47 at least. Tom, that's what I'm hoping for, man. That guy name is Keith, and he is on Astro's live stream right now. It tells the price AMC will be hot and boom. It goes there just by looking at level 2 data. 11 Simon, man. I have never heard anything so dangerous in my entire life. Have you? Man? This guy must be a trillionaire, right? He must make Jeff Bezos look like a chump. Can I be the bearded lady in the love story? Rocket! The question is, man, do you have a beard? Because if you do, yes. If you don't, no. I feel like, okay. I feel like if I stay about as animated as everybody else that has finance channels, you guys won't even know that my screen is glitching, and it's going to be completely normal. So if we take that approach to today's stream, we may be able to pull this thing off. But we have to keep in mind that this is very difficult for me to talk slow, to think slow, and I guess that's the price we're going to have to pay if we want Big Clay, Little Weeble. If we want Little Weeble, if we want Little Clay, Big Weeble, we can go back to normal. That's the decision we have to make right now. I like to Clay answers the super chats too. I write questions about AMC and put it in envelopes with $5, slip them in the neighbor's mail slots, and no one ever notices. Brett, man! You got to worry about the neighbors, dude. You got to worry about the neighbors. If you want to slip $5 and send it to me, don't do that, man. Just send a super chat. It's a lot easier here. Or answers at least. They should at least answer you, man. It's not the size of your super chats. It's how you use it. Excellent advice from Cupro. Guys, make sure you keep that in mind moving forward. The price action looks suspicious. It does look suspicious. We had a drop down, and now we're having a rise up. It's impressive that the guy says He was in the military decoding secret codes. I don't know if he is a millionaire because he can only tell where the price will go within a 5-minute window. I will tell you right now, man, if you know where the price is going to go within a 5-minute window, you could start with 30 cents and you could end the day with probably $3 million. Easy. If you started the day with 30 cents. Oh my gosh. Easy, dude. If you knew where it was going to go in a 5-minute window all day long, oh yeah. But 11-11 Simon, please, dude, please do not fall into the trap of thinking that anybody can speak a language that doesn't exist or that they can tell the future. Technical analysis is dangerous because, look, I'll just even show you, since we're on Big Weeble. I mean, you can come out here, right? We can see that there's clear levels of support and resistance, right? We can see that AMC has been bouncing off this trend line right here. But as soon as you get to the point where you think that you can predict the future, and that I guarantee you it's going to bounce off this trend line right here, because that's the trend line it's following. It's bounced off. It's bounced off. It's bounced off. It's going to fall right through. Nothing is guaranteed. Even if somebody tells you that they can, I'm not even going to go there. Even if they tell you they can tell you what's going to happen in the future, they can't, man. And I would not fall victim to that mentality that somebody knows what's going to happen next. Oh, my Lord, it's Slipper Jones. We got Slipper Jones in the house? What? Clay, retract that because 30 cents, unfortunately, would violate. Yeah, that's true, man. Dang. Okay, Cupro. I will retract that for stocks, but if he can do the same thing for derivatives, then he can make 30 million off that 30 cents, 3 million off that 30 cents in 1 day period. I will retract that off that unless he's allowed to day trade somehow. Okay, maybe on Moomoo or something they allow you to day trade, or if he's got some broker that doesn't follow U.S. laws, or if he's allowed to use leverage, like maybe he's trading out of Panama or out of Brazil or something. He could turn that 30 into 3 million very easily. The Matrix 4 trailer teaser just dropped. Very interesting. I did not know they were making a Matrix 4. I had a secret handshake to get in my fort in elementary school, and it doesn't help me predict stock movements. That is just crazy, Brett. That is just, it should. It should, man. There's no reason that shouldn't. My ex was a size queen. I couldn't keep her happy. Banana Man, what do you mean you couldn't keep her happy? Clay, you think we will see at least $1,000 a share for AMC during the squeeze? Lol, I sure hope we do. That's the price target that I think I would really be excited to see. I think $1,000, if we get there, is going to be very significant psychologically. I think a lot of people will sell when we do get there. But it doesn't mean that that's the top if we do, and it doesn't guarantee that that's the price we get to, even if people hold out as long as possible. You know, you can see it today. I mean, today we bounced off $47, $48 several times, and we've already had 90 million shares change hands. So we've already had 90 million people or 90 million shares willing to be sold today, and we're sitting in the 40s. So it's very difficult for me to believe that we would easily get to $1,000 a share if we've got 90 million shares willing to be sold in the $40 range. Clay, just test without the headphones for 10 seconds and see if it's still bad. Now, Crypto Rackets here, it's a lot worse without the headphones, man. Trust me, we did without the headphones for like 10 minutes this morning. It's not as good. Does Moomoo let you day trade? Actually, I have no idea if Moomoo lets you day trade. All I know about Moomoo is they contact me like at least weekly to start repping them instead of Weeble. So, no idea if Moomoo lets you day trade, but I don't know. I guess we could test it out at some point. I'll be honest, Mr. Potassium, I don't know what does that even mean. Mr. Potassium, that would be a Banana Man. What does that even mean? No, once you put it on Moomoo, you're wearing it for the day. Oh, no, we do not want to wear Moomoo for the day. We got to make sure we are able to take that off at any time. Spider-Man No Way Home is going to destroy box office numbers. Yeah, Antics, I have a feeling that Spider-Man No Way Home is going to be doing very well. Not enough potassium. We need more potassium. Yeah, that's because almost 70% of the trades being done in dark pools. Low count, 70% of the trades being done in dark pools. Guess what, man? That volume is still reported, and it still shows up in the price. So a lot of people, man, and even the ones that think that AMC can be predicted within a 5-minute window, they still believe that dark pool trades are not reported, that they're not reflected in the price, and that they just do not exist. That, my friend, is a very dangerous assumption to make because they absolutely are reported. I was here this morning, but you never know your luck. Well, with the headphones out, the headphones do have a better microphone than just the computer mic. I can guarantee that. The only thing that I could possibly go to is the microphone on the actual phone. So we could test that one and see if that works. So let's test that right here. I'm going to switch off and go over the phone microphone and see if that works.
Is this audio still glitching? It kind of looks like this audio is still glitching right here because it doesn't seem to be flowing as fluid as the other one was. If this one is bad, let me know. Just type bad in the chat right now, and I will switch it back to the other one. If this one seems decent, then we can keep this one. But based on the way this one's moving, I think this is going to be worse. Natalie, now you're a hot dog expert, huh? I knew you liked them. Yes, Natalie does like hot dogs. Clay was thinking, would it be smart to day trade shares of the institutions on our side during or after the squeeze, since they will make money also? Hope makes sense. Day trade shares of the institutions on our side. Decent. Rocket says decent. Better. Is this really better? Is the audio not glitching as much? If you guys think this is better, I mean, we can keep this on, but it seems to be like the audio is glitching. It's better, but a small glitch. Would you guys rather have the small glitch, or would you rather have the T-Pain auto-tune? That's the choice you guys got to work with. Mine worse. Oh my gosh, now everybody's saying it's worse. You guys are just trying. Nobody knows what's going on. Chris, I don't know. Rephrase the question, man. Rephrase the question because it doesn't.
All right, we're back to this audio. Rephrase the question, Chris, because I don't know if you mean buy shares of actual stock in companies like BlackRock or Vanguard or Citibank or some of these banks post-squeeze, or what exactly you're talking about when you say buy shares of the institutions. If you mean buying shares of banks, you can buy shares of banks. Yeah, man, I don't have a problem with that. I just don't really think that banks aren't that exciting, man. Banks have a higher probability of going down than they do of ripping higher. Banks, they're more of a dangerous play to the downside than they would be the upside. Don't mess with the support beams. We will never mess with the support beams. Yes, she did. We're gonna keep the support right there at 46.62 because Natalie is definitely holding us up today. Hot dogs and bananas only on Claybro Live. Newfo. That is the only place you're gonna get the hot dogs and bananas. MMAT's dangerous play, man. Sounds way better. Sounds way better now, right? That we went back to the headphones. Is that what you're talking about? What's the lowest you think we will dip again before we go to the moon? Give me a shout out in, oh my gosh, Wolverhampton, England. Connor, shout out to you, man. Let's see, the lowest I think, I don't even know, man. Here's the deal. We've got a beautiful ascending trend line on the daily chart right now. We've had a nice several weeks after bouncing off $30 per share. If 48 proves to be too tough, or if we break through 48 and we once again have problems in this recent high area, $55 to $60 per share. If we turn the corner again and round back to the downside, this is a very nice level of support that we have now at $30 per share. If we break down through that, then it's going to be dangerous. I'm talking back down into the teens or 20s. If we hold at $30 per share, we could see AMC trend sideways and channel between 30 and 50 for quite some time before we break out to the upside. If people don't get on board with actually holding the stock. This is 90 million shares that were traded today. That means 90 million shares were sold today as well. A lot of people think that only means 90 million shares were bought. That means 90 million shares were sold. So you got to keep that in mind when everybody wants high volume. You're also meaning you want a lot of stocks to be sold. Clay needs AirPods. Fun to me. I actually have AirPods, but they're not connected to the computer. Hey Clay, your sound is now is perfect as long as you don't talk. I will not talk loud. It's a hard job for me. I can actually turn the volume down a little bit and then not talk loud. That might be better. If I turn the equalizer down a little bit, we might be on it. Clay, I seen with my own eyes. I was watching the live stream. Hedgies talking code through level 2 data. Say in order to buy 53 shares at 46.95. All these numbers are code and mean something. Oh my God, Simon, I'm just telling you, dude, please do not get drawn into that. Hedge funds do not talk in code to each other, and hedge funds are not the only ones buying and selling. 53 shares at $46.95 would not be doing anything. If hedge funds wanted to talk in code to each other, they would just talk to each other in encrypted messages. Dude, I'm telling you right now, man, if somebody were to crack a code that hedge funds were talking back and forth with each other and trying to manipulate the price of a stock, it would be a very, very dangerous thing to do. Oh my goodness. Who else would like down? Like me? Nufo! You didn't hit the thumbs down. Come on now. If institutions make money on the squeeze, would it be smart to buy shares into those institutions so when the squeeze comes, they will make money and their company price will go up also? Yeah, Chris, if that's what that would be a decent way of potentially diversifying your portfolio a little bit. If you were interested in buying shares of stock or getting interested in the financial sector, you can get into some ETFs that would diversify you throughout the financial sector and so on. Because if you believe that they're going to be making money on AMC, then yeah, their income statement would look a lot better. Their fundamentals would look a lot better, as long as they're not losing money to the downside. Now, a lot of people believe during the short squeeze that these institutions, yes, they'll be making money on AMC, but they're going to be losing money on other plays because they're going to have to be selling off those plays in order for the hedge funds to cover losses on AMC. They're going to need to sell off the broader market. So if you believe that they're going to be making money on AMC and it's going to be going well, then yeah, man, you can diversify into some financial sectors and play it that way as well. That does make sense the way you're thinking about it. Clay, you should watch a video. I couldn't believe it. No, dude, I did. I sat in his live stream for probably 40 minutes this morning. And yeah, I don't believe it. So if you couldn't believe it, I don't believe it. Sorry, bro. Audio issues. Nufo. It's ridiculous, man. But don't click the dislike button. It's not my fault I'm having audio issues. We're not in it for the fundamentals. I don't think the Rambler or Gremlin are going to get American Motors out of this hole. It's tough, man. 11 aka Mr. Doesn't Know the Prices. What is your closing price prediction for today? Listen, here's the closing price prediction for the people that he say can predict the price of today. And 11 Simon, I'm not ripping on you too bad, man. I know. I was there earlier today. I've watched several of his live streams. I could not make it through a single video, and I do not like the disrespectful language that a lot of those people use in there. So I don't spend a terrible amount of time in there, but I do believe it's necessary for me to stay up to date on a lot of the theories that other people are promoting out there because everybody watches everybody's videos, right? So AMC is going to have a clean break above 50 today, guaranteed, based on the level 2 data and based on the patterns that are forming on the chart. There's a clean break above 50 today and a guaranteed break above 60 this week. So that's what the patterns, that's what the level 2 data are telling the people that can predict the future. So if we don't break above 50 today, I wasn't the one that said it was going to do that. So keep that. That's why it's very dangerous, man. It's very dangerous when you get to that. If you were to go out there and let's say that because they're guaranteeing that it breaks above 60, let's say you went out and you bought a $60 strike on AMC. You bought a bunch of calls. You YOLO'd and bought a bunch of calls because you were guaranteed to close above 60 this week. And then it doesn't close above 60. It's kind of like, oh, well, they did the hedge funds, they switch their code, or the hedge funds just for some reason changed their mind and didn't want it to go above 60 this week. So maybe next week. See, there's a very, and I know it's fun, it's entertaining to watch, it's nice to see. I know, AMC Trapper, I know it's fun to like act like we can predict the future, and it's very speculative, and it makes for good entertainment, it makes for a good laugh, and it makes for the excitement. Everybody who buys a lottery ticket wants to win the lottery, okay? So it's got that entertainment value that apparently is attracting a lot of people right now, but that's the harm that you can cause by being, I don't even know if you call it delusional, man, but by being so consumed in what you believe to be right that it's dangerous. It's very, very dangerous. I just get annoyed with anyone predicting. Yeah, crypto rocketeer. That's the thing, man. There's only one prediction that holds true when it comes to this stock market. And I will tell you guys right now, it holds true since the beginning of the stock market, and it's very likely to hold true until the end of time, and the stock market is no longer relevant because the world is ending. The stock market is in a very long-term uptrend. So if you were to buy shares of not any company, but if you were to buy shares in the S&P 500 or an ETF that tracks the S&P 500, if you were to invest in the index funds of the overall stock market from the day you were born until the day you died, assuming you lived a full life, those shares would be worth more. That is the only trend that holds true for the stock market, is that over a long period of time, it rises. Now, on an intraday level, even on a monthly level, even these stock traders' almanacs that they charge you $40 to buy, and they can tell you the trends. Since the market was incepted, since the market started, they've been tracking all of the trends. You're talking presidential cycles, you're talking, even years, odd years, so on. All of these monthly, every trend that they can track, they track. And the only ones that really hold true are the fact that over a long period of time, the stock market rises. Does it rise exponentially? No, but it continues to move higher. That's about the only one that will hold true and that I could get on board with. The intraday price action is just way too dangerous to try and predict. By Scratchers and Scratch, didn't know you could win something. There you go, new foe. And even if you like scratching things, I would recommend like buying some chalk and just, I don't know, scratching onto the sidewalk. That might be a little bit better. But dude, if you're buying scratchers, you've got that anticipation and you've got that excitement that you could be winning something. Petey Pete, man, Petey Pete won $50. I think it was last Friday. So shout out to you, Petey Pete. I remember you guys. 30 minutes left. Come on, let's have another dollar at least. Allen, let's get it. 47.70 is what we're going to close at today. How much longer do you think it will take for the shorts to be margin called or buying pressure to cause a massive breakout? Simon, if nothing changes, I don't think that the shorts are going to be margin called. If everything stays constant, why would they be margin called? So we're either going to need to see the price drastically increase or volume drastically decrease in order to see some sort of risk for the hedge funds out there. About to make a millions ticket for the first time in years and won $4. Fate loves irony. Technically, I was a winner, but come on! Natalie, I won, I think it was $2 or $4 a couple years ago, and I don't even think I ever turned that ticket back in. I was like, dang it. Why would this happen? $4. I wanted $400 million. Why would I want $4? We're going to end green. Another good day. Vastio, we are definitely going to end green today. That is something I'm on board with, is not falling another 6% in the last 27 minutes of trading. 47.20 at close. Nadia is calling it right now. Let's all take a guess. 47.20. I like 47.20. I'm going to say, let's follow that right there. I'm going to say we close at 47 flat. I'm calling 47 flat on the close. Top end of this channel, and it follows that trend line that we're on here perfectly. So I'm calling 47.20 on the close. Let's turn it to white. That's my guess. 47.20 on the close is my guess right here. That's a decent level of resistance, so we'll watch it. Who has my name? I was like, Clay, I didn't write that. 1111 Simon. Man, I don't know who has your name. I'm very sorry. But somebody must have grabbed your name. That is why people... sorry. Oh, I did. I bought more Mega Millions and lost. Natalie, very nice. So you got to double down. You win $4, you got to double down. It's all right to lose that. It wasn't even your money yet. You already spent it. Cupro taking applications. Cupro said something. Darn it. Where did Cupro go? Maybe Cupro. Not yet. Yes, it started 30 minutes ago. Gosh, I missed something up there. 47.07, 47.33. It is 46.99 at the ending bell. 47.27, 47.11, 47.21. And let's go 47. Yes, 46.68, 47.14. 40. Ooh, Bastille going hot at 48. Well, shoot, we're breaking out of my trend line right now, so we might actually see a $48 close. Gosh, I hope we do. 47.65 plus or minus 5 cents. Natalie's coming in with a plus or minus. I like it. That is why people should stick to Clay's channel. You, sir, going to be fed. I missed that. Come on now, Rocketeer. Don't get me halfway reading and then retract the messages. We like it. Clay, bro. Over the exact price day at the time of the peak of Mother of all Short Squeeze is asking for a bro. It is definitely going to be, let me consult the lava lamp right here. It is definitely going to be Christmas Day is going to be the peak of the squeeze. And it's going to be all day Christmas Day. The price is going to be flat all day Christmas Day. Peak of the squeeze, Christmas Day, all day it's going to be flat. Interesting. Wouldn't it be funny if the hedge funds closed out all their positions on Christmas Day? Just said, Merry Christmas, you filthy animals, and just screwed us all. Read earlier one. Oh, man, Crypto Rocketeer was correct. I missed the earlier one. That's why people should stick to their best training. You're going to be fed all the garbage you want to hear. You will hear reality. Like it or not, that's what you need to hear, people. I would agree with that, man. It is entertaining. People do like it when you tell them what they want to hear. But here's the deal, man. It's just, I am here to make money. That's what I want to do. And I want to make sure as many people as possible make as much money as possible. Now, making 10x, 20x on your portfolio every year is slightly unrealistic. And I wouldn't get used to that. AMC is a beast of its own. We've already seen a 20x increase in AMC since January. So I hope everybody realizes that AMC is doing very, very well at this point. And this is not even it hasn't reached its full potential. None of the shorts have covered. There's still just as many shorts outstanding as there was back in February. So instead of starting with a $2 price, we're starting with a $46 price. Hedge funds should do that. Might save the market. What if they close on Christmas, Neil Wolf? Christmas Eve, Spider-Man 3 is coming out Christmas Day. We are going to get it that easy. Let's do it, Chris. Being told you're good in bed would help you be better in bed. We need the facts. Being told you're good in bed would help you be better in bed. We need wouldn't. Okay, I'm like, dang, man, would it really? I mean, I guess if it boosts your confidence. We need the facts if we want to satisfy people, Clay. It is true. I'm like, okay, I can see his theory there. I mean, if you're being told that you're good, it might raise your confidence, and therefore you may be better because you're more confident, but if you're trying to build somebody up and you say, oh, yeah, we should work on this. We should do this a little bit more often. Oh, hey, maybe this, and yeah, so on. So I'm going to go the second approach, but I could see the first approach working on that one, Cupro. A lot of confidence in there. Confidence booster might do the trick. If it gets $46.99 at close, then everyone buy one share tomorrow. Just a thought. I'm cool. Everybody could buy a share tomorrow if we get to $46.99, but I really want to see this 47. That would be nice. Is Adam Aaron selling some of his shares at the end of September? Newfo, good question. Okay, he did say that at the end of September, the bank is in control of his money at that point. And, he's going to be using that as a scapegoat to clear out some of his shares. Whether or not the bank sells them at the first opportunity, I do not know if they're going to do that. So with that being said, you should expect Adam Aaron some point in the near future to be selling some, if not a very large stack of his shares. And it's going to be simple. The bank's going to just say that, Well, you know, he's a 67-year-old man. He's got to diversify his portfolio, and right now, 80% of his portfolio is in AMC stock. That's not practical. That's not a practical investing strategy. And although AMC could go much higher, it's too risky for a 67-year-old man to have that much of his portfolio invested in one asset. So yeah, we should expect Adam Aaron to be selling a very large chunk of his shares at some point in the future. Nah, fam. I literally read a book written by some doctor about, oh my gosh, it was like 900 pages. Communication is key. So she says. I don't know. I'm a good Christian boy. Good deal, Cup Bro. Good deal. And yes, guys, communication is key. Don't just be a confidence booster. AMC, you're good at squeezing. Brett's like, AMC, you're going to squeeze. You are a good squeezer, AMC. Come on now. You can do it. Are they selling to crypto? Maybe they're selling to keep up with AMC. The crypto, you know what you're talking about? Hold on, what happened to crypto? Oh, dude, crypto got ripped today. Crypto Rocketeer. You didn't even see it till now? Only 80%? Psh, weak sauce, bro. Come on, we got to get better than that. We can do better than that. Brett was looking so strong. Has to be manipulation as usual. Yeah, I don't know. The only thing I saw about crypto today was the fact that Bitcoin is now the national currency of El Salvador. So I don't know if that would really cause a 30% decline across all crypto or if it's something else. But that's the only thing that I could see is substantial news surrounding cryptocurrency at this point. Clebo, you go Super Saiyan today. Alfonso, I did not go Super Saiyan today, man. I've been having too many problems with the tech here to go Super Saiyan today, actually. My goodness, look at this. Look at AMC just loving this channel right here. Boom, 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 boom. Following the trend line up, following this channel is resistance right here at $47 per share. Oh, man. See, that's the thing, guys. You can start to look at this and say, wow, this is a great level of resistance. Wow, this is a great trend line. It's going to hold out. Well, how long is it going to hold out? It's only going to hold out until something breaks. Then it goes on. Like, you can't get overly confident in any sort of analysis whatsoever. Today is a glorious day. Sergeant Baloney, yes it is. Thank you. I've been working out again. Brett has been working out. I like it, man. Good deal. You've been looking so strong. Yeah, Brett is looking strong. I would agree with that. It's a great day today. Rob Bliss. Crypto in the dark pool must cost so much after today's dip. Yeah, dude, Bitcoin's got to be at least $300,000 or $400,000 in the dark pool. Just saw the flash crash on Bitcoin and fall with Ethereum, but it's never went to check the whole market. Bloodbath. Yeah, what's that stuff at right now? I don't know. What's Doge at right now? I think it was the last one I looked at. I looked at Cardano too, but what's Doge at right now? 7 days ago, we're 47.13. Nadia, that was the close 7 days ago. Is that what you're saying? Clay, bro, can you please address if stock transfer out of Webull or Robinhood can help the squeeze? I do not believe that would help the squeeze. That doesn't create any sort of buying pressure, and you're still holding the shares at that point. If you believe that they're loaning out your shares, you can turn off the share lending program. I don't even believe that your shares being lent out would hinder the squeeze in a drastic way. I think that would allow the shorts to dig their holes even deeper, and the deeper their hole, the more they have to cover at the end of the squeeze. So it may cause some sort of a delay in the squeeze happening, but it's also going to mean that they have more shorts that they need to cover, and therefore the price is going to run higher. Let's freaking go. No! Chris is retracted again. Come on, Chris. It's all right. I can read typos. Hey, how much more time do we have till closing? I always miss the time. It's 17 minutes, man. Since I'm in Hawaii and my time frame is off. 17 minutes until the close. So what are you, 5 hours behind? Is that 10 a.m. for you? Is that 10 a.m. for you, or is that 11 a.m. for you? I'm not exactly sure how many hours behind Hawaii is. I think it's 5, right? It's probably 11 a.m. for you. Why can a small hedgy adjust cover? Why can they? Louis, why can they cover or why can't they cover? Not exactly sure. They can. Why can they? All they would have to do is go out and buy the shares to cover their short positions. Weekly volume on meme stocks are crazy. Yeah, dude. Oh, wow. We might get a little breakout here, hopefully. This might be nice. A lot of people, almost everybody wants high volume though. I want to tell you guys right now, I want low volume. I want extremely low volume, very low volume. Why can't they? Well, they could if they wanted to, Louis. They just don't want to. So they could, or Louis, sorry. Yeah, it was Louis. Louis, they could cover if they wanted to, man. They just don't want to. They believe that AMC is worth much less than $47 per share. And after all of the hype fades, after everybody gives up, after everybody stops holding, the stock price is going to plummet back down to where it should be, according to them, around what, $6, $5, $4, $2 a share. And then they're going to make all the money on their short positions. So that's why they wouldn't cover, but they can cover. They just don't want to. Breathing intensifies. 500,000 to close, Clay. Zizi. Oh my gosh, if we close at $500,000 today, shirts all around. Everybody in here gets free shirts. Keep using that laptop mic if you want low volume, bro. Nailing it. I will definitely continue using this mic. I'm not even going to look into the tech and why the phone is not working as it should. 9:43 a.m. in Hawaii right now. Okay, thank you very much. You guys are 6 hours behind. And it's when market ends at 10 a.m. for you guys. The market closes at 10 a.m. If retail keeps buying and holding daily, by next week, the 117 million shares to borrow will all be gone. Hopefully the CAD system prevents millions of FTDs. Then we run. Yeah, man. Yeah, possibly, but I still think that they're going to be able to get their hands on shares because look how many shares are trading hands today. 93, 94 million shares traded hands today. So just because somebody's not willing to lend it out, they sold it. Now the new owner is willing to lend it out. I'm an XL in black shirts. Dusty, got you. 500,000, you got yourself a shirt, man. I'll even send you 2 if we got a shirt there. So many shares available with high volume. It's not rocket science. The other YouTubers are probably day trading and using us. I don't know if they're day trading or not, but their high volume theories make a lot of sense when you're day trading. You want high volume when you're day trading. You want that liquidity. It's looking very nice right now. We are busting out. You guys that were calling mid 47s might be on to something here. This is looking very good. I like this little run we got going. Hopefully we can sustain it into the close. We have AMC a walk. I hurt my ankle mowing the lawn yesterday. Dang, dude, why'd you hurt your why'd you hurt your ankle mowing the lawn? You got a push mower? You need to get yourself a riding mower. Just sit there. It's really hard to hurt yourself on one of those things. I like this. Me too, Jennifer. I like this a lot. You talk about low volume is perfect. What kind of volume are you talking about on a daily basis? Tom, ideally I want to see 0 shares being traded. I know I don't live in an ideal world, so I'll never get there. So anything as close to 0 as possible. That would be perfect for me. Guacamole, bro. What is going on, Marcus? How you doing? 4705. Marcus calling 4705. My 50 plus or minus 48 prediction is spot on right now. I love it, Brett. You got all my predictions from here on out. Holy smokes. Oh, yes, Rocket. We got a nice little run going on here. Clay, I've been doing a ton of work in the shadows today for AMC. You're welcome, brother. Eric, that's what I'm talking about, man. I think it was you. You've been doing so much work, you glitched my microphone out and you glitched my camera, so it's not working right. AMC to the Mars. AMC to the Mars, man. Marky, thank you, Marky. You're saying thanks to me. I'm saying thanks to you. Thank you very much, Marky, for the super chat. I appreciate it. Absolutely amazing. And I don't even know what you're thanking me for, but thank you definitely for the super chat and for the support. I appreciate it, man. And hopefully we are all having a good day. Merci. Thank you. Woot woot. Squeeze pleasy. I would love the squeezy pleasy as well. I'm holding for Harambe. Good deal, ZZ. I hold for me to make a lot of money during the short squeeze. The Matrix 4 trailer coming out, so that'll be a good one for us. Eric, yes. Who said that earlier? Was it Antics or Cognitive? Somebody was talking about the Matrix 4 trailer coming out here pretty soon. Who was that? I forget now. Brett, impossible. How could you have known? How could you have known, Brett? We need to know what you know because you know something we don't know, that you're able to predict the future. Only got into investing a month ago. This AMC play has become an obsession. Unreal. Alan, isn't it crazy? Isn't it crazy, man? How it's just taken over and everybody can't get their eyes off of it. Everybody has to watch it, and it's just like, it's unreal. I've never seen anything. I mean, GameStop, yes, I will admit, GameStop has an amazing community as well. GameStop is just this phenomenon. But It's crazy the amount of support that AMC and GameStop have, and it's just like it's people are unwilling to go away, and this is not normal. Come, bro, subscribe to my special vibrations for more predictions. There you go, Brett. Subscribe to that. I want to subscribe to it. We're forming such a good base the last 2 weeks for the squeeze. I love it. Tom, I also love it, man. And we are ripping higher into the close right now. This is a power 15 minutes, ladies and gentlemen. Ishby cray cray. That's what I'm talking about, Cognitive. We are running into power 15 minutes right now. I got to adjust the chart again. We might even test 48. Look at this little run AMC's going on. All right, AMC, you doing work. I see you. And this is exciting. This is exciting right here. Let's move it up to here. Guys, if we keep running from here, we're going to be looking really good. The morning is the only time that we were breaking above these levels right here. We might get a nice little run into the close. I should have moved that line back down. I think my line stopped it from going higher. Darn it, Clay, bro. You do this all the time, man. You put a line on a chart, and it stops AMC. It's just a motel bed. You subscribe for 10 minutes at a time, putting quarters in it. Brett, that is a very nice special vibration, man. I like it. I would definitely subscribe to that bed. Plot twist. In the Spider-Man multiverse, Stan Lee comes back from the dead and makes a cameo referencing the squeeze. Now, that sounds like something I'm interested in. Let's get started. Luca Tony! Thank you very much for the super sticker. Listen, man. Okay, we'll go. We'll slow movements for Luca Tony on this one. So it might actually look like I'm flying right now, and the whole screen is just glitching. That's the white. That's the whole screen. Luca Tony! Thank you for the super sticker! Thank you very much, Luca Tony, man. I'm so sorry you guys gotta look this. It makes my stomach sick watching it glitch so bad. Thank you very much for the super sticker. I appreciate that, Luca Tony. The camera is not working right today, so I'm very sorry that I can't make it big and make a fool out of myself. But I appreciate it very much, man. And all the glitches on that little super sticker screen right there were the glitches that you guys were seeing in the frame rate being dropped. So I appreciate it. It's a nice sound effects, Clay, bro. What do you mean that wasn't sound effects, dude? That was the actual super sticker. That was me flying. There were no sound effects that came. I got a new black kitten named Mavis. She's 6 weeks old and already turned into an AMC holder. That's what I'm talking about, Dusty. You got a good cat there. I actually look to other people like I know what I am doing, as portfolio is up 32% in a month of trading. Reality haven't got a clue. It's just AMC. Alan, I feel like a lot of people are suffering from that same sense of confidence that you could potentially be getting in if you got into AMC at the beginning or at the end of May, and you went from $12 to $70 in a matter of a week, and now you know everything about the stock market. It is definitely dangerous, but people are, for sure, making a lot of money in AMC. Scared the heck out of my cats. What do you mean I scared your cats, Mr. Anything Tech? I was flying, dude. You should have been scared of that. A long time ago, AMC closed green and GME closed red. I think it has to do with GME earnings tomorrow after market close. Yeah, a lot of people that are regular investors do not hold during earnings calls. They'll sell off. They don't like the risk. They can't associate themselves with the risk of an earnings call, and they tend to sell off leading up to the earnings call. Whether or not it's a good earnings call or not, they don't care. They just don't like the volatility. Sure, when Clay says, I'm very sorry, I can't make it big, no one minds. But when I do, they grab their clothes and run out of the room crying and saying, I must not think that they're pretty. Brett! Happens to the best of us, man. Happens to the best of us. Hey, bro, do you think GME will squeeze higher than AMC? Now, y'all, percentage-wise or stock price-wise? I think that both of them are going to squeeze. I don't know which one. I don't know who's going to be able to hold longer. It's all going to come down to that, man. AMC could go higher. GME could definitely go higher. It all comes down to who holds out the longest. And I don't know if GameStop holders are going to hold out longer than AMC holders, or if we're going to have some sort of if it's going to be very similar, because I feel like a lot of people who hold AMC also hold GME, and a lot of people who hold GME also hold AMC. AMC is definitely not for the faint of heart. In the loop, my goodness, no, it is not. If you are a conservative investor and you can't stand losing money, AMC is not for you. If you like volatility and you don't like day trading, AMC is your perfect play. Yeah, guys, I'm kind of worried that AMC is going to make a lot of people get cocky and lose everything within weeks. I hope they don't. I hope they don't. But there's a very high likelihood that people will get proud, and then, pride it's the downfall of everything. So do not get proud, even if you become a multi-millionaire off of AMC. It will definitely distract you. It will blind you to what is actually going on, and it's not going to be good. Insert erectile dysfunction commercial. What do you mean? Brett was just talking about not knowing how to make Streamlabs work, wasn't he? I had the opposite problem, Brett. It's horrible to see them running away crying. No, oh my God, Crypto Rocket 2, you guys are ridiculous. I don't know how you work Streamlabs so well that everybody starts crying when they come over to your house and leave. Screams, "You're pretty! You're just not a Rocket. I'm sorry." Oh no! Nobody can be Rocket. Rocket's one of a kind. They just wear the golf polo. If they just wear the golf polo to bed, like I asked, we could avoid this whole mess. Yeah, I feel like Rocket does live in a golf polo, man. For some reason. I don't know. I get that vibe. I've been watching AMC so long, I can predict the ups and downs. Perfect for calls. That's what I'm talking about in the loop. You and everybody else. Hi, hon. Alika, hello. How are you doing? Brett, oh man, Brett is on his game today. It's the golf jokes you've accumulated scaring them off. Let's see, golf jokes you've accumulated scaring them off. Hey, you want to see my eagle soar? Oh my gosh. Why does Natalie know so many golf jokes? Natalie's a better golfer than I am. Do I get pink bro keychain if we close above 47? Nufo! No, not today. If you would have said that, dude, if you would have said that, like, I don't know, an hour ago, I probably would have made that deal with you. Not now that you're already in the money. Come on. 5 minutes to go. Yeah, we got 4 minutes to go. Nufo's trying to get me in. He's already in the money. Oh, man. Have you seen BBIG? It is running. I did not see it today. What is it at right now? I think it was at $8 earlier. I'm not getting cocky. I've already been humbled in my life. I feel like Keenan's channel is going to act like they made a killing off their options coming up, though. Dude, yeah. It might happen, and a lot of people might be the same way. But here's the deal, man. When you start to get confident like that, then you might actually put all of your money into one trade. And then that one trade doesn't work out, and then you just get ripped. I tried. Nufo, it was a good try, man. It was a good try, but you're already in the money. You got to be out of the money. If you want to say $48, we might have a deal, but you said 47. Come on, I need more coffee. Darn it. Let's go 47.50. Let's do it. Let's go 48. I think the mother of all short squeezes will happen before the end of the year or next year, first quarter. Oh, you think? I hope it does. I really don't know, though. Oh, my God, that was a nice candle. Blowing off the top of my chart there. Come on now. It's a nice little run into the close, guys. My goodness. We might test that 48 before the end of the day. Nufo should have gone 48. Clay, why is the quality so bad today? Long Island date, because I'm forced to use the microphone on my laptop instead of my actual mic. I have no idea why this stuff is glitching as bad as it is today. I reset everything. It didn't help, so I'm going to have to probably try and work on it a little bit after the stream and test it out, maybe in some private live streams or something, and see if I can figure out what's going on. But, oh my gosh, we're ripping 48. Let's do it. Matrix release date is released. And Pete, what is the date, man? So close to a new daily high. Yeah, I think we might actually hit a new daily high today. What was the high? Was 47.82. We could very well break that. 47.82 into the close right now. 47.82 daily high. Right here we go. Oh man, this is looking nice for 48. I like it. You come on, Fitty, with your funky spooky face. What? You're still handsome, though. Long Island Dave, thank you. Even though I'm just a tiny little picture in the bottom right corner, ready for the horse derby? We should be ready for the horse derby. It seems like it's going to be a very interesting last minute of the day. Yes, AMC, you are the ish. We are going. Come on, 48. I think we can get this 48. December release date for, what was it, the Matrix? Yeah, Matrix 4 is going to be released in December. Very nice. What a day. What a day. What is this? Are we in the last minute of the day right here? We got 47.87 on the chart right now. 47.87. Can we go 48? All I want to see is 48. If we break 48, it's going to be a very nice day because we close above 48 and we got after hours rip. Can we rip to 50 after hours? That's all I hope to see. 48, and we got a green candle still. 48.88 was the high on the day. 47.82. 47.88 is the high. And what is this? Do we end? Or is this the last candle of the day? Now, this is the... Dude, my computer... Everything's all messed up, man. My computer's messed up here. This is the last minute of the day. My computer got me early. 47.86. We would need to break 47.88 for a new high on the day. But $47.88 is the price we need to beat right now. 47.86, 47.86, 47.85, 47.86, 47.87. We need to bust a new high right now. $48 is the line we need to beat. If we beat $48, we have no resistance in the way if we can sustain a move above that until we reach 50. Guys, 47.90. We got a new high on the day right now, but we need to go to $48. Can we get above $48? I want to know right now if you guys think we are above or below $48. We got, and did we close? We were about to close $47.89. We are still ticking 47.90, 47.89, 47.90, 47.89, 47.88 on the chart right now, and it closed at 46. Did we close right now? We didn't close yet. Oh my gosh, something's going on. We're still ticking 47.84. All we got to do is beat this, but it seems like we may be closed at 47.84. Kelby, thank you very much for the super chat. Kelby says, tomorrow is my birthday. I turn 30. Squeeze this. Kelby, just because we are best friends, I will intro your birthday with a very nice happy birthday, and then you better come back tomorrow when everything is working right, and I've got better audio quality, I've got better video quality, and I can sing you an actual happy birthday. But Kelby, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kelby, tomorrow. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday tomorrow, Kelby. Good close. Excellent close, man. Very strong into the close. That is why they call it Power Hour, ladies and gentlemen. We did very nice at 47.84. Beautiful. 50 tomorrow, y'all. Let's get it, Adrian. I hope we don't bounce off this $48 level and come back down. Your stream is a little off, bro. Yeah, everything's a little off today, Tyler. It's all right, though. Thanks, Clay, for being you. So amusing, and good job, bros. Thank you very much, Nadia. I appreciate it. And, yes, the stream is a little off today, Tyler. It's all right. Hopefully we get everything fixed by tomorrow. 47.90 on free trade. 47.84 here. 47, you closed at 47.90. We could settle. We could see some different prices after the close. So we could watch this price settle a little bit, but it's all right. Hey, I think you found your calling. Natalie, I think you're my calling. Sorry, it's so glitchy. I can't even go full screen. It's terrible. Now I want to go to an auction. Natalie, I want to go to an auction too. What are we going to buy? We're going to go to car auction? We're going to go to like an estate sale? What are we going to go to here? I want to go to this auction with you. Not off. What did you say, Tyler? Then I thought you said off, man. Oh, I thought you said is a little off. You said lit AF, bro. I thought you just like, dude, I'm sorry about that, man. I thought you abbreviated little, and instead of saying AF, you said off, a little off, but it's lit AF, bro. Thank you very much, Tyler. I appreciate it. Hit the like button, bros. Thank you very much, Neil, guys. Don't forget to hit the like button. I'm making meatballs tonight. If I fry them in bacon grease, will you talk to me? Wait, what is this? Will you talk to me extra to make up for Natalie never speaking to me again? Brett, yes. If you fry those meatballs in bacon grease, I may personally call you on the phone just to talk to you because that sounds delicious. And we know Natalie's not going to talk to us, so if we continue to fry stuff in bacon grease, we know she won't. But I'm really hungry. I did not eat very well today. I'm really hungry right now. And the fact that you're talking about bacon grease makes me want to make some bacon right now. It does. Clay, let's go to all of the above. Natalie, I love the answer. I want to go to all of the above with you, please. I forgot today is Tuesday. Me too, Jennifer. Today is Tuesday. Feels like a Monday because we just came back off that beautiful 3-day weekend that we had. Look at the chart for after hours. There is one with almost 30,000 for $48. You mean volume? Or do you mean you got an order that's out there for 38,000 shares at $48 per share? I will miss you, my friend. Rip. No! Rest in peace, home goods buddy. There's nothing going on with Brett. Just because he has some delicious meatballs, his arteries are going to be nice and clean. He's all good. Taco Tuesday, Clay bro. Any family members in the chat right now, are we going to Taco Tuesday today? Or is that like, are we just done with Taco Tuesdays? Because we haven't been in quite some time. Clay the man, bro. Building excitement at the closing. Man, I was screaming at the screen 48. Matthew McConaughey. I love it, dude. I love it. I feel like if I get excited, everybody else kind of gets excited too. And I don't know if it's necessarily a good thing for me to get excited like that. I feel like I should maybe play it a little bit cooler. But everybody loves the horse race at the end of the day, especially if we're really popping into the close like that. Natalie, I'll have a salad too. It's a healthy meal. There you go. A salad and bacon grease fried meatballs. That actually sounds like a decent meal, dude. Up 3.5 thousand up on the day. I'll take it. Love this stock. Riptide Redemption. Very nice. Making $3,500 on the day. Is it my hangover or do you sound different? I sound different. The audio is not the same today. Every time I see your lava lamp, it reminds me of when I owned video stores. And it had an adult room, and the cover had a woman and a lava lamp. And use your imagination for the rest. Interesting, CC. Interesting. My imagination for the rest. Sounds like there were some like dragons in there too. And then maybe some like black lights. You had some black lights and some dragons in that room. That's as far as my imagination takes it, CC. But it sounds like a very nice room. It sounds like something I'm interested in. I say we get started. Hopefully this week AMC will reach a new time high. Johnny, we got our work cut out for us if we're going for an all-time high this week. We really have to break through 48. It's not as easy as it looks. We have to break through 48. Then we got 50. And then that really difficult range between 50 or 55 to 60 is going to be tough. Somewhere, my boyfriend heard that apps like Cash App will raise their withdrawal limit if the Motherwell Short Squeeze happens. Currently, 25,000 a week limit. Anyone know if this is true? Dana, I have no idea if that is true or not. I've not heard anything about that. But, I mean, if everybody's walking around with millions of dollars, I don't know. I don't know if they're going to allow you to cash out any quicker or what the deal is. Are we getting anywhere near the squeeze? Manjeet! Every single day we get closer because every single day the hedge funds are paying the borrow rate. Every single day that we move in the green, the hedge funds are losing money. The risk is moving higher. And, yes, if it's inevitable that they cover their shares, every single day we get closer to the squeeze. The girl with the dragon tattoo on her what? Natalie, you've been in that room before? Natalie is definitely, it sounds like, Cece, were your video stores anywhere near Natalie? Because it sounds like she's been in that room before. What's good, Clay? What's up, Phil, for real? Oh my gosh, we're going to bust 48 after hours. This is looking so spicy right now. 47.90, I like it. 47.94, new daily high coming after hours. Very good. 47.90, 47.90. Yeah, we're going to break 48 after hours. This is looking very nice today. Question is, though, will we sustain it? How is Ortex dated today? Manjeet, we've looked at the Ortex data a little bit earlier. I don't have the most recent update, but the short shares said that I believe 2 million were borrowed, roughly 1 million were shorted, but the short interest has come down a little bit. Come on, we're in the movie business now. Let's not talk trash about the boner collector. Oh, my God. Natalie, you and I have been hanging out in the same place, huh? You know her. Lovely girl. She might be a lovely girl. Natalie, make Clay go big screen for a second there. Yeah. Natalie has a tendency to do that, DD214. I've been busy helping change the Ape Father's mind twice. Phil, for real. Dang, dude, I'm telling you. You get your work cut out for you, don't you? I think if the Ape Father moves back to his entertaining content, he's going to be doing very well. He's a very good entertainer, and his content should be positive. Clay talking dirty. Never cognitive. I never talk dirty. I have $20,000 I inherited. Should put it in AMC or GameStop. I'm already huge in GameStop. Tesla guy. Very interesting. What would the person you inherited it from want you to do with it? That's the real question. They might have said, you know what, Tesla guy, you need to go out and buy a new Tesla. 48, 48, 48, 40, 48. So let's go, Ugandan Toad. Clay, hermano, could the hedgies cover after hours? If so, what does that mean for us? Carlos, brother, yes, they could start to cover after hours. That is true. If you use Webull, you have access to after hours trading. You will also be able to trade after hours if they close after hours. If you don't have Webull and you want to open a Webull account, use the link in the description below. But they're not going to be able to start the squeeze and end the squeeze after hours. They're not going to find the volume they need. The volume they have after hours is the volume that I would like to have during the day. I mean, essentially, that's what I would like to see. Is if we had after hours volume during the day. You guys can see the price can still move. The price can still move after hours. We're at 47.82 right now. Is that what it says? As Webull loads, yeah, 47.82 right now, 47.84, right where we closed. And the price still is able to move, even though we're only getting 13,000 shares being traded. This candle right here, we went from 47.65, 30-cent candle on 28,000 shares. Okay? This candle was 30 cents, and it took us almost 1 million shares to do it. So we can easily move in after hours trading. And a lot of people think we need high volume to move the price. We do not need high volume to move the price. Ape Fathers did a video. He is no longer doing a protest. Thank you for Phil for real. Thank you very much, Phil. Citizen Pain was the best BDSM movie made in a very long time. All right, man. Well, Brett knows his stuff. Let's go get that 48. Let's get it, Kookie. No flat line in after hours today. Yeah, we are definitely moving after hours today. Clay, why is it we opened at 45 after hours movement? Clay, why is it that we opened at 45 after hours movement? After hour movements. What do you mean that we opened at 45? Are you talking about why do we open at 45 today? Yeah, so it's just where the first order came in today. If we zoom out and we see this, we closed, what would it be? Friday, we closed at, I don't know, around $44 per share. And then we steadily rose into the after hours and then pre-market today. And pre-market was somewhere around this $45 range, and that's where we opened there. So because these orders are coming in, and then the first order being at $45 in the morning, that's what the stock price opened up at. It opened up, and it was doing very well. We had a lot of buying pressure coming in into the open here. See, you can see that we closed right here, and we opened right here at the $45 mark. Right here. This must be the first candle of the day. So we opened up here at the $45 mark, and we moved on throughout the rest of the day. That's just where the first fill came in on the day, and then the rest of the price action was where everybody was willing to sell the stock at. Oh, bro, check your father out. Red tired Hooters girl who knows how to show it all. Yes. The Ape Father definitely shows it all when it comes to wearing his Hooters outfit. There's no denying that. Today was a good day. 12. Today was an excellent day. Yes, it was. Hey, Clay, what should I look for when I borrow money? It's the first time borrowing from a bank. Also, does interest rate apply when you don't pay off your principal? Warren Buffett. You're borrowing money. Does the interest rate apply when you don't pay off your money? Yes, dude. You still have to pay your interest rate, and then you're probably going to get hit with penalties if you don't pay off your money. So I would highly recommend paying your loan off if you're going to go out there and borrow money. Ape Father is a woman. I never would have guessed. No, Ape Father is not a woman. Cupro. Ape Father is not a woman. No unseeing it, Natalie. Yes, unfortunately, there's no unseeing it after the Ape Father's Hooters outfit. I do, however, recommend going and watching that video. If you haven't, make sure to go check it out. Kyle! Mahalo, Kyle. Thank you very much. What's up, bros and bronettes? Been a while. We are breaking 48 resistance today. What's going on, Kyle? 48, man. I'm telling you. Thank you very much for the super chat. I appreciate it. 48 is being ridiculous today. It is definitely holding up. We did not break it on our fourth attempt. I believe Trey would consider this the fourth attempt at the $48 level of resistance. We did not break it. Hopefully, we remain here after hours, and then tomorrow we have another update. Clearly, we're going to break it if we have an update tomorrow because we closed at $47.90, so basically anything above a 2-cent gain is going to be above $48. So if we get there, it's going to be a very good day. If we bounce off, darn it, man, the technicals are winning out once again. We will break it before 6 p.m. That dude, man, I sure hope we do. If we start tomorrow above 38.50, will that make it easier for us to break through, or is pre-market not that interesting for us? I think it'd be 48.50, Tom, but if we start the day above 48 tomorrow, it's going to make it easier for us. Or it's going to make it better for us if we start the day higher. Yes, that clown is a... No. I don't think the 8 Father's a fool. I think the 8 Father's a very nice guy, but I believe that he needs to get... Listen, guys, there's a lot of people out there who find that kind of content very entertaining, and he was doing very well making that kind of content. He switched it up, and it isn't working out as well for him. So if he makes people laugh, why does it matter if he's making people laugh? People enjoy that. People need to laugh. Happy birthday, Lisa. What? Is today's Lisa's birthday? Where is Lisa? Clay, bro, I got my package. Thank you. Oh, my. When did you get it? Today? Or over the weekend? Because if it came over the weekend, that was actually really quick for you to get that letter. Lisa got her sticker pack. That's what I'm talking about. Lisa, is it your birthday today? Or when's your birthday? Because I need to sing you happy birthday if it's your birthday today. Yeah, if you get it at 58, if his average is $58, he definitely needs it to run up. So I'm sure he's a little bit emotional right now. He's been stirring up drama for... No, it hasn't been day one, man. He's been around for quite some time. I don't think it's been day one. Today. Everybody sing it with me. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lisa. Happy birthday to you. It was yesterday. Today. Oh, she got the package today, but yesterday was her birthday. Either way, Lisa, happy birthday. And hopefully the sticker pack was a nice birthday present there. I like it. See you tomorrow. My night shift is about to start. Let's get that 48 monster. Let's do it, Tom. Let's get back above 48. And it's going to be looking very nice when we do. Enjoy your night shift, man. Don't work too hard. Thanks for hanging out with us all day long today, man. I appreciate it. I know everybody in here appreciates it. And enjoy the night shift. Don't work too hard. And just, I don't know, relax, man. Don't fall asleep. Night shifts are terrible. Good day today. Jump rope Don, man. Today was an excellent day. Shows his portfolio. Yes, AMC 8 Father does show his portfolio. Happy birthday. Everybody saying happy birthday to the Lisa. I like it. Let's see. What's up, mamas? Natalie, how are you? What's going on, Natalie and Kyle? Thank you, Clay, bro. Thank you, Rocket. Absolutely, Lisa. Anytime, man. I hope, if it's your birthday and you're hanging out with us on your birthday, good. I will sing you happy birthday, as should anybody that is in your life. And clearly I'm in your life if you're here on my birthday. First time here. Love it so much. Rita! Well, I got to let you know, okay? It's slightly different than normal because my audio is a little bit different. My camera's not working right. So there's that. And then also, you know what? Since that's actually, we're not even using that, I'm going to try and plug this thing in and just see if I can save my battery a little bit. Maybe. We'll find out if that's fine. Should work just fine. Let's see. You know what? I might move that port there. But anyway, typically on a typical day, we bounce back and forth between big chart little Clay to big Clay little chart. So there's a slight difference there. But we're just really glitchy on. Actually, it doesn't look terrible right now. It's just slightly glitchy on the camera. So I don't know what the problem is, but you guys can tell that it's lagging, right? Clearly, it doesn't look as bad as it was looking earlier. I don't know. Does it seem the same for you? Does it seem as bad as it was earlier right now? I don't know. Still looks kind of bad, though. We'll just go small. Remember, any streamer showing their portfolio might not be showing their own. Ask for the social security number to verify it. Brett, that is an excellent idea. And password as well. So you can go in there and check it. You need to make sure that you get all the information so we can verify these portfolios. Clay, 12 inches, bro. What's going on, Mr. Pennis? How are you today? Kyle, how you doing? Good. How about you? All right, welcome, girl. Yeah, Rita, welcome. And how did you find the stream? If this is your first time in here. Did you watch the videos and then you came in for the stream or what? Brett, that is smart these days. These dudes think they can fool me. How dare they? Lucky for me, I have a guy in my pocket who didn't pay off their principal in school. Interesting. I don't know what that means if you didn't pay off your principal in school. But, all right. I think one flew over my head. BBIG just gave you super chat money. Claude, Spider, Claude, thank you very much. And thank you, BBIG, for giving me super chat money. I appreciate it. Claude, man, I really appreciate the support. Thank you very much. What's BBIG at right now? What did it run to? Did it have a really good day? I know it was at $8 earlier, but I don't know what it did on the day. Hopefully it did well. What was the dark pool percentage today? I do not have the exact dark pool percentage today. I assume that it was somewhere around 60%, just like it's been in all of the past days. Let's go out here and find out what BBIG was. Please tell me you found the stream, because some dude yelled it at Walmart. Please. If that's the case, I will send Brett a lifetime supply of shirts. Okay, I feel like your intro doesn't do the hype of the chat justice. With respect, Matt Core's intro got you a bit, but you're still number one content-wise. What do you mean intro? Do you mean like on the videos, or what do you mean intro? Are you talking the thumbnail, or what? Break it down for me, Chris. We can always make things better, man. Hi to all. Love it. New to the market. I was looking for advice and found this fun place. Rita, very good. Thank you very much for hanging out with us. It ran to 973, so from 899 to 973, 2,000 shares in 15 minutes. Claude, amazing, man. Could be better. Hopefully AMC pops to 60 so I can enjoy my birthday next week. Yes, dude. Yes, if AMC pops to 60, your birthday is going to be that much better. Yeah, intro music. Oh, gotcha. Intro music. Well, dude, we could change the intro. We could change that, but I don't know. It's just like old school intro. You can definitely figure that out and try to make that a little better. Walmart is weird, period. I seen a guy dressed as a furry buying TV dinners once. What is a furry? You saw a guy dressed as a furry? Like an ape? What does that even mean? How to all love it. Okay, thank you very much. Rita, and if you subscribe, your name will go up here. I have to make sure it matches the video lagging. But I think people need some Nickelback in your intro. Cupro. I think they do as well, but then I would get demonetized on every single thing that I do, and that would just be way too dangerous. Hey, Clay, hope you're having a great day. Loving the green today. We are on our way. Andrew, everybody is loving the green today. It was a beautiful day in the market. AMC closed up 8.66%, down 0.48% after hours right now, but making a little run back to the upside. Hopefully, we break out. I don't know. I hope to break 48 after hours. If we don't, it's going to be all right, though. Hey, Clay, I saw that. Kyle, yes, fingers crossed for you. You saw me at Walmart and didn't say hi. What? Man, you got to make sure. You guys, if you saw this dude dressed as a furry at Walmart, you got to say hi. Come on now. We're all bros here. Retail better come ready at the end of the week. Use your smooth brains. And remember the last several weeks, Monday through Wednesday, green, Thursday through Friday, short attacks. Do not give up on Thursday and Friday. Make sure we watch that stock price rip even higher and close those options in the green. I'm happy with just staying above 47.50. Hey, in the loop, me too. Is 47.50 your break even, or you just want to be above 47.50? No, I just like saying it. Just love me and don't ask questions. We all love Natalie. It is true. We do all love Natalie. And the less questions, the better. It's just better to hang out and stay. No way. Couldn't be. No way. Couldn't be Sam Blow. There's no way it was our guy. It could be. let's see what crypto is doing right now. Is it still down on the day? Yeah, still kind of where it was when I opened the stream earlier. 47.50 was a hard resistance to break. Yeah, $48 is going to be the main level I was looking at, but 47.50 was definitely an intraday level of resistance that we had today. Can one become a bro too, Clay? We are bros too, or one bros or what? Mickey! Everybody is a bro. Of course you're a bro. That's why I say subscribe to the channel and join us to become a bro. Everybody's a bro, man. Why couldn't a woman be a bro? Doesn't make any sense. It's going to be very emotional time when we sell AMC, when AMC goes to the moon. Warren Buffett. It's going to be very... it's going to be like a happy... I forgot, I can't go big. It's going to be a very happy, emotional time for me. I'm going to be laughing. I'm going to be very happy. I'm not going to be sad. Like, dang, I sold my AMC. Now what do I do in life? I'm going to be like, dang, I sold my AMC. Look at all this money that we all have right now. It's going to be a very happy, emotional time for me. Sheesh. I know, Natalie, it's terrible. I can't go big screen today. It looks like I'm swimming and it makes me sick. Natalie, if I loved you any more than I do now, we would be having our own hot dog hallway action. What is hot dog hallway action? That sounds like something I'm interested in. I want to get started. Is that when you eat dinner in the hallway? Nasty. Hot dog hallway action sounds like you just can't even make it to the dining room table. Like you have to eat before you even get there. So you're just that hungry that you eat the hot dogs in the hallway. We can just do other plays. There are so many stocks that make so much money off of. In the loop, it is never ending, is it? There's just an opportunity to never stop making money. Hey, bro, that's funny. That's what I'm saying, dude. That's what I figured. You're just so hungry that you can't make it to the dining room table. You got to eat the hot dogs in the hallway. Clay's nasty. What do you mean Clay's nasty? No, Clay ain't nasty. I'm really hungry. It's that simple. Laugh so hard. Why would you laugh so hard at how hungry I am, man? I live for that comment. I don't even know what we're talking about now, man, but it's all right because I am very hungry today, and I would eat hot dogs in the hallway. Clay, I promise you don't want a hot dog hallway action. Natalie, I promise listen, I would eat hot dogs in a hallway right now because I am that hungry. I'm telling you, I did not eat lunch today. I barely even had breakfast. I would eat hot dogs in the kitchen. I would eat them in the living room. I would eat them in the hallway. I would eat them anywhere. We're getting naughty in here. The after hours of Clay. We're not even getting naughty. We're talking about food right now. Like I'm that hungry. It's guaranteed to take place. Clay, you the man. Keep up the great energy and focus. Thank you. Irrelevant. Thank you for the compliment there. I appreciate that. Bro, there are so many other stocks. Sell your AMC. Sarcasm. No, I'm not selling my AMC right now, but I will sell my AMC one day. That's a fact. Wowzers. Dying. Of hunger, Natalie? Or are you guys laughing at me for some reason? What if it's a bun-length hot dog, Natalie? What if it is a bun-length hot dog? Those are the better ones. People, seriously, watch this guy. Wow, get a life. Watch, what? Otto? Who is Otto, Rick? I don't know. But yeah, there are some people who do watch the channel. Not as many people that watch other channels. Clearly, there's 235 people in here right now. But yeah, if you want to learn something, you can hang out for a while and ask questions. You're more than welcome. Or if you would like, nah, it's all right, man. He just doesn't like the channel. Or if you would prefer to, I don't know, talk about something that doesn't make sense, you can do that. I would eat. I don't have any hot dogs right now, Kendall. If I did, I would be eating them one day. One day, Crypto Racketeer. We're going to get there. And then what is he going to have for dinner? Exactly. What would I have for dinner if you ate my hot dog? Would you toss it? No, I'm not. If I was that hungry, dude, if I was that hungry, I wouldn't even toss it. Sound like the chipmunk? I miss the chipmunk, man. I need the chipmunk back in my life. He's been going in the corner up to the soffit in the house for quite some time now. Talk about AMC and GameStop. Vin, we can talk about AMC right now. What would you like to know about AMC, man? Did you just miss the entire day? We can give you a daily recap. AMC opened up around $45 per share today, tested 47, I believe 47.82, I believe it was. Bounced around for quite a while between $46.62 and $47 per share before finally breaking out of the channel resistance at $47 per share and closing at $47.83 per share. Overall, it was an excellent day, up over 8% on the day. And if you've got any other specific questions, I am more than capable of answering them for you and more than willing to answer them for you, man. Be upfront. At what price are you seeing? Dre, what are you talking about, man? Be upfront at what price you are seeing. Dude, I will be very upfront with you. We closed at $47.83 today, and I am currently seeing $47.52. So I could not be any more upfront about that. I would eat his hot dog, and I ain't talking about what's in the fridge either. Well, that's because I would be cooking it, so therefore it would not be in the fridge, Kendall. That is clear. By a hallway, you mean alley. Dude, I would not walk all the way out to an alley to eat a hot dog at this point. I would definitely eat it before I'd probably eat it before I even got out of the kitchen. Like the stream, we are at 200 likes, and one person, dude, I can't believe only one person hit the dislike. That's crazy to me. Me and my friends went to Buffalo Wild Wings the other day and had a beer and ordered wings. Waitress asked what flavor, and my friend said, if you have chicken flavor. She said, let me find out. And the waitress never came back. Another waitress came back. Dude, he asked for chicken flavored chicken wings. Is that what you're talking about here? I will laugh every time. Do not laugh. Here you go, bro. Lunch on me. Bro, thank you very much. I appreciate that. Seeing AMC Theater makes me proud. AMC Theater should be making you proud. How did AMC's mother do today? Interesting. I do not know how AMC's mother did today. I would assume very well because like any mother being proud of their child on a good day, AMC had a good day, so I imagine the mother did very well as well. There are limits. Hallway, yes. Alley, no. Gotcha. Yeah, not today. I'm too hungry. I couldn't make it all the way out to the alley. I mean, maybe if I was like walking around the streets or whatever and it was just, I don't know, I couldn't catch any shade. It was just, I had to dip into an alley to eat my hot dog because I was sweating or something, then I might, but not today. That's just going to take way too much time to get there. I knew a girl that fed me hot dogs out of her, what now? That is interesting why you would use that synonym for purse, I guess. I don't know. Something wrong with your mic or my speakers. Trek, it is definitely my mic today, man. Got a lot of problems with the stream going on today. Definitely my mic, not your speakers. Natalie, neither confirm or deny. I read you loud and clear. Oh my goodness. We are not confirming or denying anything. Okay, so there are no limits. Gotcha. Yes, guys. When it comes to limits, you got to think of Mean Girls, okay? The limit does not exist. That goes for anything. Yes, waitress asked what flavor we want our wings, and we said chicken flavor. She was confused, went in the kitchen, and never came back. A different waitress came out. Maybe she was embarrassed. 1111 Simon, or she figured you guys probably weren't going to leave a tip if you were asking for chicken flavored wings, and then she was like, "Yeah, I'm gonna ditch this one to the new girl here," and then you guys got the new waitress and went on from there. Personally, prefer Warenberg Theaters, or is it Marcus now? I do not know. Cognitive, I do not know. I think you and I will make a good team. I'll catch you offline, girl. Natalie would make a very good team with anybody. There's no denying that. And I call first dibs. Come on, man. I'm like team captain. I get first pick. Roll! I don't even have a hat down here, man. But you guys can't even see it, man. It's so... Okay, just glitch with me for a second. Thank you very much, Ro. I appreciate the super sticker there, Ro. I'm very sorry that it is glitching so bad today, and I couldn't imitate it any faster, but that guy is moving his hat very slow, and it's kind of like a slow motion on there. So hopefully I did a decent job, Ro. I appreciate the support. I appreciate the super sticker, and tomorrow should be a better day. And I should be able to imitate the stuff a little bit better tomorrow. Thank you guys very much. Taco Tuesday, baby. I hope we get it. Clay, will you just throw that hot dog into the abyss? No, Clay will just throw that hot dog into the abyss. No shame. Natalie, no, I will not throw the hot dog into the abyss. I will be eating the hot dog because I'm very hungry right now. I will not be throwing it anywhere. Imagine how does that even make sense? If you're so hungry and you just throw away a hot dog when you've already got it, why would you do that? You need to eat it. No, a hat would screw up your hair. Yes, a hat would screw up this hair. Come on, look at this hair. This hair is my hat. If that makes sense. Is it me or mall corn dogs are way better than Sonic? I've never had a corn dog at Sonic or the mall. We'll turn that bad boy around like you two were about to have a Pokemon battle. Oh, me and Rose should have a Pokemon battle. We should. Anybody still got their Game Boy Colors? Ro, come on over, man. We can link up our Game Boy Colors. I still got the cord. We can link up and we can actually have a Pokemon battle, dude. If you're into it, I'm into it. I say we get started. So close to green. Cool Bacon-tron. You're gonna be green soon. Cool Bacon-tron. It's gonna be nice for you. And then we're just ripping from there. Let's see. What is Ohio known for in terms of food? Nothing, man. Nothing. Are we known for anything in terms of food? Anybody that lives in Ohio, are we known for anything in terms of food? I really don't know if we are. Oh, Clay Daddy. Alicia, what is going on? I'll just do the hot dog anywhere, man. I won't even lie. As long as it doesn't come back with some sort of mold, I'm chilling. Dude, how is it even going to come back if you throw it? It's not a boomerang. It doesn't even come back. You got to eat it if you're that hungry. Sorry, been busy working, but listening. Is this scenario, the hot dog is a what? In the hallway is a very large what? The more you know. Brett, thank you very much. I thought we were talking about eating hot dogs because I'm hungry. So, you guys are dirty people. Come on. What are you talking about that kind of stuff for? I thought we were talking about lunch. Oh my goodness. I thought we were talking about lunch because we were all hungry over here. You guys are talking about some crazy stuff. I don't even know what to say. Mom, I was talking about lunch. I don't know what these kids were talking about. I was talking about lunch, I promise. I was talking about lunch, Mom. I am very hungry. Even dinner. I don't even mind. Hot dog for dinner. Clay Bro, JT Wisco. What is going on, JT Wisco? There's a lot of yummy food in Ohio. Alicia, what are we known for? In light of this realization, it isn't bun length. Oh my gosh. JT Wisco. Oh yes, who in the right mind will be selling at these levels? Luke, apparently 100 million shares worth, man. I have no idea. People apparently aren't in their right mind. Be upfront. At what price are you seeing? Dre Sanchez, man, you asked that like 6 times a minute ago. I saw a $47.83 close, and I'm currently seeing $47.36. So thank you very much for asking. And be upfront, man. What price are you seeing right now? What price are you selling? Oh, selling. Dre, my goodness. I have no idea, man. I have no idea. If we get to $300 and everything looks like the squeeze is over, the shorts are covering, the short interest is going down, I would sell there. If we get up to $1,000, I'm going to be extremely happy. And the same deal, I would sell there. If we get up to $5,000 and the short interest is getting down and it seems like the shorts are covering, I'm selling there. So there's no specific price target. I'm going to cover it when I believe that the short squeeze is over. I'm in AMC stock for a short squeeze. Am I going to time it perfectly? No. Is anybody going to time it perfectly? No. So I'm going to sell when I believe that the short squeeze is over. Nick's got the Ortex updates. Let's see what we got here. Ortex update. Estimated short interest change down 1.98%. Short share or return shares 4.24 million. Borrowed shares 1.89 million. Borrowed change down 2.35 million. Estimated current short interest free float 18.64%. Estimated current short interest 95.32 million. Thank you very much, Nick, for the Ortex update. September 10th options are getting sketchy. Royal, I imagine they are, man. I imagine they are. The milk bar and grilled happy dog. Wow. That candle there might have been back up to the close. Yeah, I think that candle right there was just back up to the close on the day. Clay Daddy, are you in on BBIG? I do not have BBIG. Own 450 shares. Dre, very nice. I'm asking him what price he is selling. Yeah, there's no specific price, Dre. There's no specific price that I'm selling at, man. It's just when I believe the short squeeze is over or on its way out, I will be ready to sell at that point. Whether that's well before a lot of people anticipate the short squeeze would have gotten to those levels, those price levels, you know, I don't think $100,000 is going to be easy. So if you're thinking you're going to sell at $100,000, good luck. I really don't think it's going to be that easy. But yeah, man, whenever the short squeeze seems to be over to me is when I'd be getting out. Brett blasts through a ton of different positions, so it seems like we last longer. Genius. Very interesting. Stock positions is what we're talking about, Clay. Clay, hot dog, any hole. No, I would eat. I don't even know. Clay, hot dog, any hole. Interesting. See, Natalie, this gets a little scary because of the recent reference of hot dog meaning male private parts. It seems like putting it in any hole could be dangerous because you never know what's on the other side of that hole. Trying to time it perfectly is almost suicide because you could very well overshoot and the shorts cover and you're screwed. Matthew McConaughey, 100%, man. And nobody is going to time it perfectly. Yes, I will film you guys, Cup Bro. Oh my God, what is going on here? I'm so hungry. Earlier, salad sounded great. Now a good broth sounds amazing. Yes, it does. Rocket, I'm with you on that one, man. I'm never saying sorry again after that comment. Do not say sorry to anybody. I'm in BBIG. AMC Trappers making money on BBIG. Very nice. He is seeing the price on the screen, obviously. Yeah, but he was asking selling. Been in here since 8:01 and before. Don't call me a shill. I don't, listen, man, I don't think anybody's calling you a shill. Neil Wolf might have been, because you kept saying, like, the price you're seeing. It did sound kind of bottish when you were, like, copying and pasting the wrong message, like, 6 times. But, no, I don't know what price I'm going to be selling at, man. I really don't. We're adults. Call it a PP? Yes, Brett. One of those things. Dre, I don't know. I know you did. I was messing around. It is all right. I just FOMO'd. Very nice, Petey Pete. Hopefully you make some good money. Maybe mustache and beard on the other side. Nobody knows what's on the other side of that hole. Mr. BBC himself in BBIG. Nice, Petey Pete. BBC and BBIG. Ooh, I haven't heard of that ticker before, though. It's all right, though. Oh, my goodness. This chat is 120 degrees. It is hot. Man. A little wild, if you ask me. I don't know what percentage battery I have. I feel like my phone should have died by now, but it didn't. So I think we might end up just cutting it at 4:45 today, so I can do a video over there because I've been streaming for 2 hours and 40 minutes. And that's on Cardano or the future price of Richard. Yeah, I believe overall crypto is going to be doing very well in the future. And right now, I know that it suffered like a 30% decline earlier today. It's probably down in the 250s right now. So this could be a decent buying opportunity, but crypto is very volatile. So remember that. Any man who has a hot dog is no man. A kielbasa is thick and needs to be stored, wrapped around itself is more like it. Alicia knows her hot dogs, guys. Alicia knows what she wants, and she does not want a hot dog. Plain and simple. Oh my God. Buy now or wait. Richard, exactly. That's the question we all ask ourselves every single day. Yes, crypto would be very good long-term. Crypto rockets here. I could not agree more, man. Natalie, I feel so innocent right now. I feel innocent every day of my life, especially hanging out with you guys. I always feel really innocent. I know all the meats. Alicia knows all the meats, not just hot dogs. He makes it hot so you get, oh my God, he makes it hot so you get naked. It's not my intention. Oh my goodness. It is not my intention to make it hot in here. I think it's your intention. I'm long on crypto. I bought more on this dip. Very nice, Neil Wolf. A natural case. You guys are just, oh my God. Thank you, Brett, for all the translations today. I don't know what I would do without you. I really don't know what I would do without you, Brett. I think we're talking about food until Brett gets involved, and then it's just crazy. I don't even know. Don't even know how to handle this. Mom, I'm sorry about this. It's okay. They're my friends, though. Brett just decided to stop coding his words and just, bam, going all out. Yeah, the algorithm's going to love you guys for it. I appreciate it. Meat is good. I like thick, juicy meats. And, yeah, it is. Meat is good. Boom Candles looking like a double Chick-fil-A sandwich. Yes. So I don't know if those are real candles or not, though. They seem to just be glitching to the close price. So I don't know if those are real candles. Because I don't think we're trading at like 47.40 and then jumping all the way up to 47.80. I don't think that's real. Hi, Mom. I haven't seen Mom in the chat, but if Mom's in here, yeah, hi, Mom. Personally feeling like, oh my God. Clay, I am all out, brother. I will be here tomorrow, my brother. Until then, aloha kako Clay and the Ape Bros. Aloha kako Matthew McConaughey. And yeah, we're not going to be here too much longer anyway. It's all right. We're going to be here tomorrow. Everything's going to be working better tomorrow. It's going to be a better stream tomorrow. I like your screen, bro. What the heck is going on? Yeah, I don't know. I think it's just the price is just glitching back and forth to the close price. See if we can update those candles there. If it's still doing the same exact thing. Yeah, still doing the same exact thing. Good at Clay. Harley, what's going on? Dark pools, it's not a glitch. Yeah, I think it's probably a glitch. 120 Celsius, not Fahrenheit. My gosh, we are boiling. 1111 Simon. That's hot. That is very hot. It's a busy day. I have a few seconds at a time, so just type it, going for it. There you go, man. You gotta take life. You gotta grab it by the horns, man. You gotta grab it by the horns and just go for it. Did my pick update? Alicia, yes, it did, but I still can't see it at all. My candles are glitching the same way on my E-Trade charts. Interesting. It must be something going on with the data feed. I don't know. I think so, Alicia. I think I see a cleaver. Maybe. I don't know what is going on here. I'm out here just talking about food, and Brett is like, plot twist. Some people, what? From the hood and don't cut off their... Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's true. Brett, thank you very much for enlightening all of us with that. I appreciate it. All right, see you guys tomorrow. Kisses and hugs. 4:45, guys. Yeah, we're going to... Listen, I've been on here for 2 hours and 45 minutes. I know the phone's about to die, so we're going to cut it 15 minutes early today. Hopefully tomorrow we're back to 2 streams and everything is working correctly. We don't have to worry about the audio and the video glitching and all of that stuff. So make sure to get your name out in the chat right now so you can get that shout out. And all the links in the description, all that good stuff. AMC had a wonderful day today, closing at $47.83, up over 8%. I'm happy. I know you should be happy. Let's get the shout outs going, and then make sure to keep an eye out for the video at 8 p.m. this evening, 8 p.m. Eastern Time, 5 p.m. Pacific Time. And let's get those shout outs going, guys. So, Alicia, Race Fueled. Cup Bro, Neo Wolf, AMC to the Moon, Rocket, Alicia again, Natalie, AMC to the Moon, Rachel, Neo Wolf, 1111 Simon, Michael, Cup Bro, Louie, Victor, Simon, Neo Wolf, Crypto Rocketeer, dabbing on him as always. Lauren, I love you. Lauren, we all love you. Hopefully you're in here. If not, it's all right. Lisa, happy birthday to you. I'm so glad you got your sticker pack. Natalie, Neo Wolf, Rachel, Luke, C. Adarbro. What? Cedar Bro, I like it. Muchos bendiciones, Clay. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Luke, shout out to you. Alicia, shout out again. Now, guys, Matthew McConaughey, shout out to you. I thought you were leaving already, but you are still here. We get them big bro candles here. Shout out for sure, Matthew McConaughey. AMC Trapping Man. Peace out to the apes. William, have a great night. Make sure you guys check out that video. And, of course, if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.